Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Ethi ngicela amaphendana.
uyabulisa ngaphi ipendi ndoda
Usuke channel enye into.
hayi
Ningahleka but mina sengiyasazi istories njawo legit.
kulo muntu athatha amapendi
Amapendi?
bakhona vyazi
No way.
Yibo Maforty
Hayi ngomaphorisa kodwa ngomaphorisa lokho.
amaphorisa kuthiwa athatha lama handbag
Amaphorisa iyenbhek
Thatha
yakhe
lama-handbag.
guys. No, ingasuka thulu kweyenbhek yakhe ndudu.
Amaphorisa une handbag wena.
ulama
Ulama
handbag
handbag
bro.
ndudu. Neskin.
Yabona
La vele ngathola imali ngiyithenga iyenbhek
This is
la.
how dangerous he is. Wahlwa vele wathenga ama handbag ekwasina vele ngakwati lokuthathela abafazi.
No.
Uthi vele lithi vele ama handbag.
That's not just a handbag. Into leni ithenga ngelicense ndudu. MS bro. Yeah.
But wena yabimbi
So ingiyakhe.
Maphorisa jomba kuyo.
mayimbi yabimbi
Iyenbhek yakhe lana ndudu. Yazuka mfazi.
so sikali silu record
Dala. Wesimembers athatha ipicture umaphorisa egqokela my boots kwathiwa uthethe wonke lamaboots.
ezinye izinto
But
ziwe
picture yakudala.
noma kuthiwa istampa
Mina
it's fine
It's fine.
ama mic afika
Ama-mic
ado
afika
abot
khona.
aleke blend.
Yazi athatha iyenbhek. Awuyisikhwama sakhe madoda.
Alike ba style esifile le sanokuthi uthela umuntu something ndengasexabanga somthathela.
It's nonsense.
But you got the problem ukuthi lami I kind of have a feel where I can say what if it's something.
nemota
Apha kulomuntu explainer explain into yemota ukuthi imota leyana webe kuthengele for
kuyabe
convenience.
kuyisikwelede
But kube kuyimota yakhe. So lingayalana
I-business
uzayithatha
ukuthi-
enze i-convenience. Kufanana la
Yonke
emsebenzini.
into yenza imali.
Wena bayaxotsha emsebenzini uyachief wena emsebenzini le laptop emsebenzini.
Le moto yomsebenzi
Le
ayichiya.
moto.
So lithi ukujola kuba semsebenzini.
Ngumsebenzi.
Ujole
Ufuna
Ujola
ama-alliance.
ngumsebenzi.
British council emjoleni.
Ujola ispan. Ujola ispan.
yeah.
Ujola ispan.
Mina I will say I think la mama gifts are intimate. But maybe
hayi ikhuluma ndoda
because I feel like uze kuthiwa umuntu uthethe wazothatha namapenti lokuyana check is kind of crazy.
That's
crazy.
Ukela lapha.
Uyabulokhu
So siyenzani? So says determine a monetary value. If it's too expensive, take it back.
yeah
No.
What if ipenti lakho na libelingile 1.8 the same price ye-Honda Fit?
hayi akuna pendi elidura njalo
Wena.
angisi
But i-Honda Fit phela jike ukwazi. I-Honda Fit-
Jeff Bezos himself.
I-Honda Fit uyabukwazi ukuthi usongayinika omunye ucheri wakho osuzamthola kaThesi la yabesebenzisa. Kumbe
angila lokhu
usungayenza ngayimali.
angila experience yamapendi sibili but ngiyawazi alikwele 1.8
That's true.
Ah,
But I think
likhona
ingela
though.
go futhi machini sokusiya nge-break up yakhona. Asithi imagine umthengeli imoto umthengeli isilahla. So sizwa kuthiwa vele ngesikhathi lithandana kade uhlala usithi kanti wena wenzani nomgcini sithi hayi umgcini is just a brother seli break up usukwazi ukuchithela nomgcini so nomgcini sechama vlog sihambe silahla
Saba ngemoto ya.
labo breeze labo nami ngiyayithatha mthenza labo nami
Apha imoto
Wesibili
ezilonga
la.
zange wayithenga ebizweni lakhe.
Yeah,
Still
nxa
your
imoto
property,
isebenzweni lakhe
bro.
can't take.
Kufana ukuthi umbolekile nje long
If
term.
it's in your name,
but I
it
think
can take.
ngoba le situation enjalo engiyazi
Kufanana la Kbrizzy ngini kadesi. Ngini there's a couple of cars, eh? There's a couple. No, for example, let's say ngini there's a couple of cars. Maybe vele abazali bakho baqala ukubalaza.
man
Maybe abazali bakho baqaswa le moto leziyana besadate. Lokuthi semabizweni akabani kharesi as a family maybe vele kwazi.
that's true
Yeah. So into ezinjalo izuzo nziyana ukuthi nxa into zisa sharp vele
Yeah.
ukhayile ownership into
that's
ezinjalo.
true but aba okay like ngiyazi into echo lapha asidecide ukuthi lapha sikhuluma ngecontext ye-marriage or i-dating. Mina benza ku-dating.
Konke.
Hayi, marriage sokuhlukene ngale check. Marriage
I mean,
ngazokujabulela izinto
I
esenta.
mean,
I take my shit.
mina ku-dating especially ngelokhu zenini
Emoto.
nge-current net worth yami I think I'll have to take back the car.
It's true. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
true.
I don't have 10
Your
cars
current
lying
net worth
around, bro.
now.
I have to take back my car.
You're
Because
Jay-Z.
it's probably my second car or my only car.
Yeah, it's true.
Me,
So I'll take back the car.
Lawa vele uzathi ngiyilethe nini because yabukwazi ukuthi
mina nge-current network yami vele le moto ngibe ngathenganga. Why mina isithabi?
The current network ne-iPhone
Why
ngayiphendela
mina
the
isithabi?
iPhone 13.
Ah,
the
no,
iPhone 14.
mina the phone you
Pendukisa.
take.
Flex ala.
The phone you take.
Pendukisa.
Nah, the phone mina no.
Suka
So sithi
But I'm-
ngefoni kodwa ngiyithatha.
No, but
Mini
if
phone
you
for me
tell
now, I don't take the phone.
Other than the
iPhone,
car, other than the car, but if I have other cars, I wouldn't take. The idea is when you bought those gifts for that person, they meant something, right?
Yes.
Yikuthi
So
okunye
why would you take
i-problem.
them back?
mint.
So
Okunye i-problem Maforty okunye yikuthi i-social media ifakele enye pressure. Umuntu la sometimes ngithola mina ndemoto zami ezi2. Then uthando uzochisa sembo.
subona abanye ba gift ocheri babiza imota.
Someone
Eh,
babe.
sithaba kakhulu
Obusebenza
la.
imota le. Bari imota yami.
Yeah. Hayi
Overtime.
ubusebenzisa.
But awukhuluma ukuthi imoto yami
Madoda,
yata.
laba
babe,
sikhuluma
ubusebenza
ngawo.
Awusoze ukukhulume njalo vele.
Mina
Because
ngifuna
wena
aqise phela.
uzamele
Hayi,
umhla ka
qaqise.
14 uhlanganisela ama flowers, lama key so
Unanzi
nganomphiki.
Hayi mina malitsheli. Wobusebenzisa imota le baby. Le ribbon le shampompo le khaqqa are two separate
Yi-
things.
Yeah, kufanele
Manje
phela.
obusebenzisa abaningi bayenza ama ribbon le khaqqa. Yisi small.
Wobusebenzisa.
Ngoba imoto lena ebeyithenge ebizweni lakhe. Umaphorisa ngawo ayithenga imoto ezayinika uthuli. Kwamele
Take endbeki ngebizo lika. Ngebizo lika Nina.
Ngalikhuluma.
Because vele even le moto zangikhona iCalibre ngikona ngaza kuthenga iG-Class uzithi imoto
Ngalikhuluma
Kwakuyobusebenzisa.
ngezimoto
So lapha indaba ikase indaba
What you say,
ye-boob tape.
mfana?
Indaba yonke lezi maplate kase nge-boob tape.
ngalikhuluma ngezimoto ngiyadana ngoba okungehlele yona.
Small.
Ayitset yazi.
You
Yawuhamba esibhedlela usithi ule flu bahle bafike bathi
Bizana udoctor.
ucansi ulucine nini?
Mhamsani ICU, mhamsani ICU.
Yabo Georgia very into yenzakeleyo. Ngithe sithi imoto ngiyize ngathi color fun yabo.
Vele uqala khona apho mfana. Wokhweza i-radio. Imoto yakhala fana yokhweza i-volume phela wena.
Izokunye kuyisound ongani kufun bro. Mana sifike siyo checkisa lapha sibone ukuthi yawufa. Omember qala ayikhulumi amount athi ifuna that time very ningi. Uthi alright sharp uyichi. Actually uhambe following day ekseni ngihambise ekseni lapha abo 8 umjita 2 uzocorrecta ngo4 4 vele mina ilanga lonke ngizitshela ukuthi
Ngihamba ethatha imoto.
vele ntambama ke bese
Suthunela ama appointment.
yeah podcast vele
Lama
sengiready vele ukuthi
Lama date supply into awu.
lama date vele I'll pick you up vele so sharp vele ngithi ngigade umchova nsi town lapho elungiselwa khona mbone ngiyadlula lapha mbone vele lo gift mina
Wena ngibenzile.
ndoda that time so kungu 3 mina wathe 4 sharp fike lapha
Bagesi engine.
mfike lapha ngo 4 phela after 4 abanzi idala lapha vele ngikhamba ngemoto endlini remember hlathi chomlabe hlathi chomlabe
Uthi ayaya.
la ngathi sokule inkinga la sengitshela ukuthi imali vele ngiyikhiphiliyo vele
Incane kakhulu.
vele
Wenzeni uhamba uchenile nje imoto.
ngihamba enjenile sensiyayithatha
Yiproblem.
ngihamba enjenile
Ngaba
sensiyayithatha
utshela endaweni eziyi2 ongamela ngihamba uchenile. Kumakanika la semarket. Uyalobola mfana.
Even
Yeah.
imoto
Uyayithenga i-green
even
pepper
imoto-
nge$7.
Kule
Even
concept
motor market.
soft life takes.
but indlela ngihamba
Driving usiya negotiate nechome ezobeze kuyakhela
but
endlini.
bengagqoka
Ungathwali
ngokusira
iPhone.
Uchenile. Le yathanda ukuchena le.
bro
Le yathanda ukuchena nje.
engachenanga bro
Kule soft life
Kathi
takes.
mana,
Sengutshela kanje
akulelinye
sengufundisa
ibala.
game.
akulelinye ibale elesindebeleni
Edledla ukuchena. Uthanda ukuchena.
elireplace
Le ndawo ngamela kuzithe ungahambe eKelvin usedinga amaphathi uchenile.
Uchenile bakubulala. Soft
Ababulala
life
nje.
takes.
Bawulala
Even
othola.
bakuthumela into eJesus
ukuthi vele lapha umsebenzi
member well done.
igqokile
Ufika lokhu press
Ubushevile.
Yo what's up?
Check
When?
drive to the market
Hayi,
ubuza
futhi.
ama-prices.
Charge.
yawena
Buza-
uRalph now that sekhulume ngefoni angizichisile
Ukhiphe iPhone.
keep iPhone nje kubulo kusithi yo what's up we're shooting the pod members yet
Ungathi lo le something.
Shooting the pod.
Mina ya ring esikhwameni ngiyimute so. Ngithi put
mina vele ngihamba ngane
your
nje Samsung bro sorry to the Samsung users
Yo.
Twadi Samsung ugqoka ngana ola order. Mina sokambona
but ngithe kwenza ukuthi ngithe town vele ndo ke mili. Milele ngimember dimeli invite khona ngale kumakani. Imember lanithi inga karafa episode. Akathi uthini lo. How far episode?
Mina nge-text wena.
Mina indodana. Ke lahla lapha ndoda. Singathi ke lahla lapha i-transport lapha ke lahla ifi. How? Ugcinile bethu isiqila lisenzingani. Lisenzingana kula. Nayi ndoda. Ke lahla bro asila transport even. Inhle ngathi transport yesebenza ukuthwala uRalph,
Kbrizzy.
Like sonke ka-one members like bro I'm a fan of the podcast.
Ungakhuluma njalo angani ngibe uya ku podcast. Vele uyasithwala. Vele uyasithwala.
Kanti wena ngosukhuluma. So
uyasithwala.
Ubewasho athi
uyasithwala le.
Ubewasho athi aje mina ngifeni ye-podcast ngicela ukuthengela i-drink lapha.
Live.
Ngicela ukuthengela i-drink lapha ngiyabeka resi. Into eliyenza inkulu mlina ali realize. I'm like i-date eyibhedi ngaphambi kuzibona sensimayila ngabona ubafethutsha le mirinda wathi brazo bamba la mina ngiyabona
mina lapho umuntu antshela khona i-podcast ngakutshela wena Thonga phela ba eceleni kwe amabhasi la vele eVic Falls Thonga Thonga ba
amakhosi lapha
amakhosi thakho indawo lena
angazi indawo etheke but
kathi mabhasi nafana lini
ndoda kusemakhosi
leni bhasi lena ungani extra city komba
kodwa kusemakhosi phela
hayi
extra city
no extra city
lalela so mina nganze bhawa ngihamba labanye abantu asizilambile but mina abantu engihamba labo abantu bale common sense kodwa akunamuntu olesikhathi ukuthi ufensi la usisi wami wesithi mina kulenye indawo engiyaziyo elibhodo ledola siyalichiya sonke sathi usaphuma eboundary lapha usetraining akaqalisi athi saya ngapi ecengu extra city so indawo khona bethu ayibrothel mina angazi maybe so brothel
it used to be I don't know now but
yazizwa
Maforty unwazela
Maforty uyakwazi
Maforty yabele meeting ngo1
guys
ngoba
save
clarity of mind
kathi story sakho che
so ngadi mplomile ngoba ntsha ipapa che like that was one of the places I least expected someone to say how far my chance aliyasota ku podcast ngathi
brothel
lamaklangi le brothel
hayi well I see now
I remember Tebizo la kuthembani
there's a boy the
shout out
yeah shout out to Shelton
uyasidurisele kwathi monto nguye
ayisudurisele vela kara Instagram la vele podcast liye kaso kayibone
kahle nje wena
kahle mdidi wakhe because
manje yabukela ethola ngesara DBC
siyabona sithi embe yamthutsha ngapha phela
fika ubona ukuthi
kare lapha wasusithini sidlalela man
mina checking was it Sunday I drove njengaye number 6 ebusuku nje ngafika qasa play music bese ngisihlalele bena
ebusuku
get away
Maforty yakhetha
Maforty le oba safe ndo
Maforty yakhetha
no mina angivakatshile bra play music bra imoto it has never done this like all the time I've used the car bra battery I repair kesi battery land
ngoma zeharare
BMW battery BMW
uhlekana wafana we
likubuthi ngale ibuthi ngavuleka bra ngoba kula power nje ku power up
mawusithi ibhuthi
ibuthi ngavuleka bra
ibonnet and you can also try and you can also jump start from the bonnet side dayala bra so you have to open up bra ama seats la sangenise ama jump ngangemva lapha bra bana hey bra ebuso so botho umuntu angimvakatshele senze amthi athi ngine endlini nje ungabe le ndaba ngafunela abantu bezo jump starter nje
na into ezenza kale kimi
bra
cheka akona nje uhlungu nje ukuthi imoto ikushayinele usubona umuntu lo so kumele ngene ngimi
uzubone
athi khamba Ngesala mboni plan.
Sazama ukuhamba ecar park yabo eduze lapha hlala khona. No, let's go there. What I'm like, hey, bye mamazi.
Maforty ngani ukhuluma story sami nje.
Ngena phakathi.
La ngigijima ngecar park.
We walk together. I said, no, my friends said they're coming. My friends are coming, just get it.
Maforty asimkhuluma ibizo lakhe kanye.
Hayi.
1 2 3.
Nguye.
Enough of
podcast.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the show.
Teachers achayile ukuze nisanga explain ukuthi why kade si missing in action.
Iko phela sesikukhuluma guys.
Right.
This is the part where we explain why bekungena episode last week. Mbana ufuna uqalisa explain stories zakhe ngoba sonke ngani sile stories jeni.
Mnanza disingabantu.
Singabantu.
Ndathi sile impilo.
Ngiyakwenza-ke.
Kwenzakile. Ku-rough sometimes.
Yeah.
Sorry guys. I-problem ukuthi yina anisasquottisi.
Yeah.
Sasquottisi.
Squottisi.
Lama episode amaningi sikhuluma ukuthi ke nisquottiseni kodwa.
Yahola umuntu ofuna ukucooperate ngosquottisi.
Mina ngathi anti podcast le ngiyenzela ukukhotha. Ngingabona ngasekho la because mina I have achieved my objectives.
So right.
I've gotten some because of doing comedy, so I need to get some from podcast.
I think we're campaigning for sponsors.
This is a different guy.
So apparently, okay, I have friends who are doctors. So they were updating me. Uguti between the age, okay, it's happening in Bula. The age is between 20 to 24. There's STI, there's gonorrhea, chlamydia, actually treated within the age group about 20 to 24 to 25.
Particularly kule advert lana sebezama advert lana market uyakudlula market labana be gonorrhea
T. Lana yazi gonorrhea T. But yeah, so just so people need to be very careful. The age group
is picture ngibonileyo. I saw it Tumelo wet. Yo, even ngathi infected so.
Ibithenda vele ingwanda leya.
Ingwanda mbe sausage la ku price stand hotel.
Aso sausage ingwanda like lokuzini. Kulendlo le.
Uthomolo weHarare ohlabelayo.
Ha ndodolo ngithini.
Ukuthi bani ngikhuluma stories zakhona. Wena uthi uba la.
Ukizwela ingwanda straight.
Unovula ipicture ingwanda
ngilade likhanya. But bekulama pimples.
Alike bakufaka double ke.
I'm happy I didn't see.
Hayi wena ubuku Twitter wena unjeta ukubona ku Twitter.
I like
izinto ze Facebook.
Twitter ngibona.
But it's true.
Ngabona. Yasikula umuntu othe
ze Facebook lezi.
Plan ngaye la ngabona kucwile sibe ngabona Twitter le engagement. Ngabe ngimute account
phela Twitter ihle ukukhuza ukuthi lokho ufuna ukuvula lokho.
Elo ningozi.
I'm thankful to
intentional.
Ngoba lengozi. Don't worry nzali ithumile.
But ke libona khona. No, this is proof to abantu ukuthi Harare so Zimbabwe. Ngoba lonke likwazi la and lina you are popular guys to say the least.
I mean I know it happened but I didn't like actively look to
mina ukuthi bangiyengile bathe kuye sex tape ngingenza sokule sexy phakathi senhle bedroom ziyakhiwa it is ubone
uthi mfuna ukubona
ngibona
ikenye member yathi ilokuze nini member a straight a porn addict has seen more D's than a shy homosexual. Like it's a crazy state, bro.
Fuck.
Ava rafu community fact.
Shit.
Let's go happy and there's a room as a community as
I must keep to yourself.
I'm not happy with that.
Anyway, last week mina guys nganishaya elinye ikhandi leli yabo. I think ngokuyi COVID-19. Because ngokuyi flu lokuzini.
Ngokuyingxoxo 99 mfana. You're suffering for your fame mfana.
Serious?
Ukuthakatha.
Ngeke bethakathile. But I'm not that
thakathe bro.
Deep bro. Yeah, I'm not deep man.
Mina me are suffering from things that happened years ago, man. Yo, they caught up with me.
Okathi Maforty since voice note le.
Ngaphi?
Ngifuna ukubatshela stories zakho.
Ngayikhulumini.
Azumgcini bro. I'm sharing bro. I'm clean.
Bro, khulumi serious.
Go blind.
Ngabona liyahleka.
Oh, ngumgcini yahleka.
Sorry
Maforty but yahleka.
Maforty nje wavumbuluka wathi izinyo lakhe mele lecheka amazinyo akhe mele echeka so like kwahamba njani Maforty
So you know what happened?
Yes,
So
I
you-
was
you
not
know what happened?
Maforty was not explain ukuthi wathi kids
Mana
washaya
explain story Sam. Right? So I was in Form 2. I was playing cricket at school. So it so happened that we go practice, right? So there was this girl who was in Form 1. Her name was Samantha. Like, oh, Samantha, baby. Samantha was beautiful.
What will explain Maforty?
Yeah, exactly. Samantha was beautiful, bro. So Samantha went okay, bum short. And so I wanted to show. I knew Samantha and young as. Samantha, baby, what has to me? Got it. You wicket keeper. So the moment I turn my focus back to the game, the batsman were kuta, my lips and the ball met. Bra, I bought a cricket check. I'm split into two. My upper gum split into two. I'm gonna part so. Bro, you know what I was crying? Do you wanna know why I was crying? I wasn't crying. I wasn't crying because of the pain and everything. I'm counting. What's a month on
For today's meeting, there's a one chance in being easy very bushroom.
So now they're not sensitive to anything all these years. So from last year, I feel like back.
So
how much you see so
I had to go. Last year I went to my dentist. So this year again I had to go to my dentist and yeah.
awazange bafika bakubuza ukuthi
My chance
need a new dentist.
Here's a genuine
Because
question.
was scamming me.
When I saw a dentist, you see, this is a genuine question. By show of hands, when I saw a dentist,
I'm actually having problems with my dentist.
dentist
I need a new
depend
one.
ukuthi wakhulela ngaphi
I
bafika
need a new one. I'm having
So you
problems.
need to visit your dentist regularly. I think once or twice a year. You
Hi,
need to
he's
visit dentist for
doing-
fuck
cleaning.
that.
doing
Once
shit
or
job.
twice a year.
You need
So
to
we-
get
Yeah, I
your
was there
teeth
earlier
cleaned.
this year.
Breezy
I'm cleaning amazinyo,
I'm just here fun.
Guys, come on. Guys,
Go
many
get your
clean
teeth
amazinyo, guys.
Jojandi ayixupha ke
No.
No.
Just
Just go get
now.
why le uhambe
Twice a year. I'm a clean
Vungula.
amazinyo,
yathi ngalasi
bro.
inko endlini wena ufuna check
White and
amazinyo
You know, most of the
amazinyo,
time,
straight and
when you brush your
amazinyo.
teeth-
Come on,
Time
bro.
when they were clean amazinyo.
when
One
you
at a
brush your
time.
teeth and you bleed, you think maybe brushing a cool is an infection.
uyabosebenzisa isixubho esigugileyo engesinye isixubho
Lina vele ngendlela
ngadiscover sengu-30 yami evasithi kuthiwa isixubho mina isitshintshe anivari. This is why ngayi ku-dentist. Lina part of the system, ipromin. Ihambe every 6 months.
ngokuya ku-dentist izigubho
Mina ngile-original dontara. Ngiyamelela kuze kubhende. Ngabhende.
wesile siyanasebenza sharp futhi sona the more sisithi pa
zingabhenda zezithinta amanye amakhwapha ngale.
siwaja usupolisha ngazi
Isicathulo.
yicycle yesixubho
I really think it's not sengathi ngijaya conspiracy but amajita atshintshe izixubho amajita aku-dentist yalama problem amazinyo mina la cavity angaze ngikhiphe izinyo
nama ngaze mbola izinyo bro
awasubona izinyo
ngaze mbola izinyo bro
so wafika u-dentist
Mina, I've had two-
isixubho ongathenga so 4 years
dude the rest I think says clocker 5
I've had my 2 of my teeth removed. Yeah.
you have had two uhlaliseka ku-dentist utshintshe i-toothbrush awuthomlaba ni business lawe njengangumakaniki uyatshela umuntu ukuthi butas imoto avele ungayidrayiva 6 weeks uyiphendukise. It's business, bro. It's just basic business.
yazi ubulema bungakhulumeki ngoba besilobo master
But bedi bukhuluma.
hayi ndoda mina bengikhuluma ngile lenhloni bro bengikhuluma ngile lenhloni bro by the way we are coming at you live from Zulu Fashion House. Are you tired of wearing the same clothes?
You need to add some pizzazz. Ucheno esithi.
Na bari ngefika mama. Okunye singabe ukukhuluma but impahla ezilapha every week mamfika che. Especially la mannequin le.
Batshintshe.
Check
Crazy.
it.
That's what I was saying. Those mannequins actually drip ukudlula thina too.
Again, me let's start I think
There's that one there. It's always changing dresses.
Lokho so hype lokho.
Ngawa ngucherry like maybe ngangiwe ngimdate because I need to date someone the fashion sense a blind dog.
Sana, you're getting bold on this podcast. That
Guys,
was crazy.
It's been 2 weeks, so I'm back here. I'm back.
So we're back, baby.
We are
I'm back,
coming,
baby.
We're coming with a bang.
Ngitshela
Ngitshela lapha iziphi ingoma deli ezilalela. Iphi ingoma ugcina dilalela before
I'll
wena.
tell you 25k. And I
25K.
came up from the mud.
When I Ralph
I think best Everest.
song kan.
Everest.
Yeah, Everest, yeah.
Everest come on.
AKA
Oh.
Must Country.
Yeah.
Oh.
When I came Maforty iphi ingoma ugcina ilalele.
I'd have to check my phone. If it wasn't the song from Jiso Brothers,
When I get sound kan.
Mix Ryan synth.
Mix kara synth. Iyo letha Nacho. Unacho isishona kumbe is Narcos.
Nacho.
Oh yeah.
Nacho.
So being right.
Nachos on Narcos got
Hi, but in the university Nacho phela is in
Yeah, because ngeke ngabona ingane maybe sengicabanga wrong.
with Nacho.
Yeah, like being city like being related to Mexicans.
Nachos are so local.
But ngathi nacho,
It's not
ngathi
like an
apelu nacho
American
maybe.
dish or something.
I'm a chips.
It's Mexican dog.
It's Mexican. Nachos are Mexican.
Doritos.
Yeah.
Oh, they're like Doritos.
I'm a Doritos.
Yeah.
I'm a nacho.
Nenye member yami engibona ipost ku status isithi ingoma liyani ka Barbie liyani mnandi. Daddy baby girl. Yo,
Let's go,
Manabana
Gabi.
is
Let's
a
go,
no-
party.
Then Wichirwa chama Zimbabwe namawala la manga.
Wow.
Adi ingoma liyani ka Barbie liyani mnandi le. So teze postile. Kanye munye umuntu wathi hayi ulalelele yini wathi hayi manje lapha selingijwayela ka. But it got me thinking ukuthi kule ngoma ezilalelwa ngamankazana esizilalelayo abangakwazi ukuthi siyazilalela ezimnandi iziphi.
Girls like you, run with girls like
you. Just like you, I need.
Bari kulelo kuzanini?
Yeah. That means my go-to song. None the stress.
Almost recent. We gonna fuck up tonight.
Unfortunately, I'm not gonna tell you this song that's in my head.
Even
There's a song that there's a song.
Even if you not Doja Cat, you're like,
like Beyonce is
it's crazy.
you know I'm all over amazed.
making train. Hey. Ngas sikhuluma making train and no little legend. I'm gonna love you. Going. Bese Zurini so check. Asigoma ngasilalele check yazi baby kwayo or something.
Hayi ngoma zamankazana ziyachaza.
No.
Legislation
and the
saying
100 motherfuckers can't tell me nothing.
a bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. Akula copyright
Manje ni problem la go busy in the trap but ngoba lesikhala ne sound system blind emotweni yami. Wazi nxa usule sound system blind ingoma osela ndaba ukuthi le uyayithanda nto so dinga ingoma ezile bass.
Yeah.
Busy akala bass yokudlala. Mina ngana masapa ayithiwa ngama 1.5. Uyadala nje.
Bees in the trap ekhipha ama wind bro.
Busy in the trap waxegisa ibonnet yemota yami nje.
Ngiyakutshela nje.
Lo mntu umuntu ongilula mani oyentshela ukuthi wena nganzi ngani drive etown. Ngaphunguzwa busy in the trap kwathi busy.
Yeah.
Bese ngo 2 chains do tingena ngevesi enjani
Niki.
put it in Jota hayi ngoma le
But liyinye futhi ulani
Wena urapper vele yakufuna wena ngibona kuthana urap yakufuna vele.
mele umbhalele vele kuliline kuyiwani.
anoke nisibhalile
That is a keeping numbers ye podcast.
Anoke nisibhalele.
but mina ukubhala ngiyakwanisa but
I think into engaba sharp we and I think this is actually possible. We can get the beat lona Liliana, we can get the instrumental of this lokuzenini theme song ye podcast. Skip ama lokuzenini.
Senze ethi number.
Sifakele ethi number.
That's excitement yakho. Sifakele ethi.
Fire it ama bese.
yeah
Tell us
but
what you
yeah
think.
if we get enough time in the studio we can come up with something crazy.
Yeah, Baba City we can make from oh
Someone-
hey
Ngoma zokungani yazazi.
cling.
Title sign.
Cling,
Don't
cling.
work
Wena.
Queen.
Just oh, yeah.
We can work from home.
Omgcini yabona ukuthi omgcini lezi anti ngazijama earphones zingalo. Yabona ukuthi Samana. Ethela kuphela.
Ngiyabe ngizibona ingani ngiyawulala.
Hayi ingoma zabafazi echaza.
Ingoma zabafazi
There's no
zimnandi,
play.
bro.
Ikumnandi la Justin Bieber member vele zicabantu other team vele.
But uBieber ngoba before Purpose.
Bieber was crazy.
Before Purpose I'm not sure.
Purpose Bieber was crazy, bro.
I'm not from Purpose
Niggas
coming
caught
now.
on late, though.
I'm not from
Niggas caught
Purpose
on
coming
late.
now. That's my
But from
point.
purpose for me, from purpose for
That's
me.
Mali Kuluma Justin Bieber. I
I'll
remember
listen.
there's a time Lapa Ochera Babasit Bangambuza Conti, what's your favorite love song? I'm like, love yourself.
I hate
love
Gwe
yourself.
playing.
Love yourself. Lalela. Ipingo maitanda Mgcini love song like if you uchera ngaku buza ukuthi refer phela ingoma like playlist love yourself. Remember umuntu nginayithi lathi bro ingoma leyo uyilalela ukuthi thi.
This song, man.
Wena wazwilalele.
Ayazayo
Oh my god.
Ayazayo mama don't like you she likes everyone. I'm like from that day ngalalela ingoma bro ngilalela wait for wait.
And I was
Okay,
to
make sure dala ngamphongo.
I think always love you. Always love you. Oh, cover on Whitney Houston. I got Dolly Parton. It's like it's not like really like
Wenda here.
yeah, and I hear it's like a breakup song. It's
You
like
know
it's a
you
breakup
can-
song.
You know you can actually say
It's a breakup song.
Yeah, boom.
Yeah, it's a breakup song. Like
Kufa lo amajida ezitshela ukuthi maybe I'm showing my age la.
I know it's
cool,
fine.
bro.
Umuntu obhuti
Yamazi
mdala kulabo.
yamazi Michael Bolton.
yeah.
Abani?
Sometimes in our life.
Michael Bolton.
So Michael Bolton lo umhlabelelo.
Michael Bolton said I like to but
That's the song I said I loved you but I lied. So a lot of people thought that was a breakup song because I said I loved you but I lied. But the next time he says because love can never ever feel this strong.
Umuntu wahle wathathile
I loved you but I lied.
He's
But he
not
was
gonna
saying
open.
this is even stronger than love because I don't even know what the fuck this is.
It's a song, a side chick. And people make it like it's a side chick. What's the name of what's the
Kule ngoma ka Nelly lo Zen lo Kelly Rowland. No matter what I do. On the
Ngisuhule phela.
Bakhuluma ngesihule.
Ithini kathi nina?
Utalema ngesihule.
Ingoma le khuluma ngesihule but abantu bathi love song.
It's isihule phela pana.
But izimnandi ingoma lezi.
I met this chick and she's-
Ngile playlist.
She got a man.
Yikulo
She's got a man.
And the
But
sun.
Yikukhele
How did
waye
she go-
texta ngelokuze ngeexcel.
Nge-Excel.
Uyilahla vele.
Go uyilahla bro. Like go
I upload the document. It's the fully work document. Ngoba favor.
what you meant to me.
Kwakuyisayi.
Ngoba she got a man in the sun though.
Yeah.
So that was a girl who was married and had a child, but was a hoe.
No, but
Even if
Oh.
I'm driving with my boo, you know I'm crazy about
About
you,
you.
huh? Something like that, yeah.
Cabanga uchadile unomntwana. Uhlanyiswa ngumjida weline yogqoka ibhanditshi.
akwenzakala phela etown la.
Ugqoke ibhanditshi lengwane eGucci. You know that guy was wearing Gucci head. Lezi lizifake
Lwana nguneli mdala
That
basingahleli ngayo.
Awu inspire ngikele.
Lama Air Force 1.
I said it on the show. Fuck you.
Yani lwathenga nge 10 past lawa futhi. That guy was like ahead of his time there. Rocking a Gucci head lama Air Force.
Kodwa noke ngicabanga ukuthi iziphi ezinye ingoma engizilalelayo like ezijayele kuba.
Nakare ngixolela
Amacheni.
don't judge me. Don't judge me. There's a song ka Beyonce ngithanda. Best thing I never you turned up to be.
Mina kulo aliyana I don't think kula majida kulazinya othe sizilalela sibaningi but I think ngiyiwani. I'm out.
Come on.
Ka Nicki Minaj lo
Ciara.
Ciara.
Yes.
Wena
Ngilalela
and put the sexy out.
Nick
Wena manje bono penga uye
Hayi ngoma ze-girl pound
Mphongo enzenje.
But mangutsheli. Yabona
Eye of
ireason
the
why.
tiger baba Katy Perry like ingoma ze-girl pound dog.
Manitsheli. What's the reason why likhuluma so much?
Raw.
Lay tweeting ekhuluma izolo. Ngathi sometimes what you need empilweni yakho is Apple Music subscription. Lama earphones are blind. That is coming ingoma zonke zimnandi nje.
Vele bro.
Vele mawuthanga ngeSamsung, uthanga ngespeakers lesenesele kuze nini? Uyabona ukuthi Katy Perry
Ifakaza,
next.
Yeah, ngifakaza.
Uthi ngifakaza.
Yeah, ngifona ngeplatform.
Kulalo kento yethu lokusalayo le nto sithi nika usithi welcome to nature.com and like what the fuck.
Funny Apple Music ile bathi bale lossless.
Lossless sound.
Ithi thawuthi lossless.
Kulelo kuzeni like
Le Atmos.
Dolby Atmos.
Uthi earphone lidurayo.
Kule ngoma ka like latest Vigro Deep single I think. Sound check. Kule party seyifika yathi pan check test left. Kuthi kuthi right kuthi left right. Ke uyabukuzwa ngingazi ukuthi
Le Samsung.
efakazela iyakwenza.
Efakaza yes.
Wow.
But ayingoma zawo sisi.
Mina I'll just say ukuthi mina ngafunda la mise ngesikhathi senze music ukuthi quality music yahlukana to be honest. Ngingafuna uba offensive.
Yeah.
Ngena ku Apple Music.
But
128 kbps.
Ngena ku 360 yaphezulu.
360.
Yeah.
And then there's what Apple is doing now. There's a way to just turn the wave into the MP3 because the wave is like the best quality.
Yeah.
Sure, wave yeah.
So they find a way to get the because ingoma yakona nandla culture 3 ngankayela ama file sizes. Ingoma level Drake I think is like 80 megabytes.
Vele Jay
One song, bro.
Yeah.
Sebele lokhu zenini futhi libona ku option lakana ku Apple Music oku reduce lyric. Ukuthi
Eh,
double lyric. So
karaoke.
tawini what do they call it?
I think they call it
Abanye
karaoke.
Ngiyapha
sebenzisa
mphuma kuyi
Spotify.
mic.
Ngiyaphuma imic.
Kulo kuyi mic
Kusale
uphuma.
instrumental uhlabele.
So ukwazi ucontrol ivocal uDrake manje kanze xokozela kakhulu yemntu
Uyamehlis.
wena uthi God's plan. Uqeda bomphendukise
Umphendukise.
It's a karaoke thing. That's what now they're doing. They're using karaoke.
Yeah.
The keeper kuna kana.
But I
Ngapha lama lyrics
But I music.
ayibhala pa.
Music spileli music bro. I remember
But Sony used to have the best quality in terms of sound.
It
My
still
phone,
does, I
yeah.
think.
Uteni?
Like Sony.
It
Sony
still
Ericsson.
does.
Yo. Sony Ericsson. Yo.
But
I'll have to research ukuthi azila check la but
Yilokhu
isona
zenye-
kulento eyenzeli Apple or iSamsung. Either they're producing the speakers or something, but there's something Sony is doing behind the scenes.
mina indlela engithanda ngayo music bro. I remember
Yeah.
uMasalu ele I think kwakuyi ZTN.
benzani
MTN.
zabuka salele 12 years ngithi nota.
Wale ngifoni so ngama days ezamop like zamop kanje wapha manje wap.com.
Oh,
Yes.
Toxic wap yeah.
Yeah.
Fetty wap.
Impoze ngathi wet wap. Ngazi kusa. Yeah.
Phone erotic.
A phone erotic.
Abafana-
But ngama days afana
Abafana
nayo. Erefana
aba
nayo.
multiple penises.
Erefana nayo. Phone yakhona ile I think ile 10 megabytes space like overall. So into engangiyenza ngandownloada ingoma like nga2 just so depend with spacing but ngandownloada one because it told you 7 megabytes. Download ingoma e1 ngizayilalela for the next 2 weeks ndalela
Until the
ingoma
next
e1 sentshintsha. Ingoma yani ekashisa boy ngayisusu zoyemela ngiyazi word for word.
God damn it.
Ngilalela 2 weeks ngamake sure ukuthi every day
Wayisusu zoyi.
Mayisusu zoyimela.
ngayisusu zoyimela.
Dlala bo Pac-Man
Azizikhala,
efoni.
The first phone
Labo
engandla
Splinter Cell.
kwakunye Sony Ericsson but yona engela space oku receiver engena la bluetooth engena la. So A lakho yayile recorder yawini recorder yama voice note 3 minutes 50. So
now
ngan decide ukuthi ingoma enhlanisa this week
speaking.
for that week mfana
But I think
Imnakhona
imnakhona nganyikwenza because ngasithi ngingenza njalo ngangile option yokusave like 4 maybe
Oh, space is
isincane. I think ngaku discover after some months ukuthi nginga record
machenza
reduce.
ngangenza esinye
Mina lami ngiyakhumbula ingoma zami zonke zazenze record we so zebe zihwapha nje. Then imember yami no chake bekuhwapha nje. Boy la why is this say this? So then kwasokubuya omnye cousin wami vele essay. But ile
Elento
lento newer
key.
version. So yena downloadile ingoma leya ngazi how. Wabe sensende ingoma lena nge-infrared. You can take kisans on my phone. Dog, I was going crazy. Let's
usuyizwa ukuthi kahle kahle ingoma le
I remember ngimember yami ezayithumela uStingray. Stingray big nice.
infrared.
Remember wathi eqeda
nina ngani member yami le
ku receiver so ile kuzenini ingoma wasuke ehlanya
abo Lil Wayne
phela onzima ukuthola
Stingray.
ingoma that
uthola
time
ingoma le-quality iswi
nabantu asengiqabela amanga bangani bami kuphuma uStingray ngase nemoto le sound system lapha so mina ngangifake eflashini ngangibhoda
so
neflash
advanced dog.
hayi ngase nginga
But yeah,
These rappers, eh?
welcome to the show, guys. This is the ByoPodcast Ingxoxo 99.
Saselabo sesang
Yeah, Maforty le.
anina nemembe yami le ngiyihamba labantwana ngengutapiyo
Uzama uku-
Thoughts kumbe ayi-3
Yeah.
dog.
taps wenzani mana ngizithule
bengisathi mina welcome to the show. I-podcast le ngiyethu ngiyenu. If you're tuning in for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. This is the part where
like
we
and comment
beg people to like, share, comment. Lisitshele futhi lani ingoma elizilalelayo elilenhloni sometimes kuzikhuluma. Like kulezinye ezingekho feminine like but ingoma ethi lawa ingakhale ebantwini maybe iplay ngemistake.
but ebuka siyayazi
But uyabukazi ukuthi mfana deep down manyana morning hey baske but yeah, welcome to the show. So just to do a brief
Recap.
Advertising. It's called paying the bills. Ngenza ulti phela lingene mahara kuma event.
please I say please dog.
Lingene mahara kuma event. We have upcoming events in this city of kings and queens. Kule I think umuntu ongasitshela sharp ngama event nguralph. Ralph,
Come
what's
on, man.
happening?
Anyway, go like my tweets. I'll give you tickets. I'm on a
Hey.
Wow.
spree, dog. I'm on a ticket giving
like my-
spree.
Yes,
So
man.
6 August, we're doing the Garden of House, Southern
Garden of
Cross.
Hope.
We're on, guys. We told you last time it was crazy. It was a jump.
Yeah.
It was smuggle niggas in.
This time
This
guys
time
are
around,
smart,
we're not
la.
smuggling anyone
This
in.
time I'm smart.
We're having fun.
6 August
6
August, yeah.
so sithi thina 6 August amajele podcast ebesikhona eGarden of House
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
All of us are
Sibangai.
gonna be there.
Most likely I might not be
Sasinacho.
there, you know.
Amaforty the celebrity,
I might
lama
be
guest.
traveling.
Celeb.
I might be
But
traveling.
we're gonna be there.
mnangagwa or something
might be
you guys
traveling.
got better shit to do
No, I might be traveling, so yeah.
Maforty mkhulu.
But on the pod, you're gonna be there. It's
Yeah.
gonna be crazy. Pull up. The theme is simple. Less niggas.
More honeys.
Wow.
If you don't have honeys,
Stay
quit.
home.
Anyway.
ngokuchoke egedini liyiseveni ngoba namabizo wenu
I have a question, but I have a question though. I have a question.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sausage
I have
fest.
issues, right? I have issues with people who just take pictures of people at events and start posting without our consent.
Yeah, but that one.
Don't worry, Garden of
No,
House.
I'm
when
serious.
it's
I'm
audio.
serious.
Don't worry.
I'm very
don't worry,
serious.
don't
But
worry.
namanye sekwasubela abantu abachisayo ke.
then yekilomba nabantu abachisayo so kumele kube i-responsibility yabantu abayi-100 ukuthi singabona uma-40 the singamthathi i-picture ngoba wena you want to put your penis in the wrong person
Ay. It's got nothing to do with me. Okay.
Anyway. So we said our first stop is
Garden of House, 6 August,
Southern
Southern Cross, yeah.
And then 12 August, we'll be Under the Sun with Murumba Peach at ZITF.
Unamali.
That one is the biggest one. Unamali.
nenene ithi niyitheke yabo
Murumba.
hayi
Unamali.
Yin. Unamali.
hiyo
Hi, Murumba. PG.
Yeah.
bathi murumba aphishile abana
Yeah.
indoda mnayo
Onyama City.
What uthini? What uthini?
nangithi unamalini
Hey.
Unamali. Murumba. Ikoni party.
PG, yeah.
PG.
So yeah, we're Under the Sun, ZITF, a
Kolele.
ground, 12. Pull up. That one's gonna be a maza.
that one is gonna be a motherfucking maza
That one's gonna be a maza.
murumba is
dude.
gonna be a maza
So we're
Yeah.
going.
We're gonna
We're
be
all
there.
going, yeah?
Were they Garden of House? Were they Murumba pitch? Therefore,
Oh, we're all in.
Garden of House,
All in.
what time?
Yeah.
man,
But just
man,
pray for our livers because we're gonna
imbuzo umuntu
consume a lot of
anganathiyo
alcohol there.
No, but
sandathutswala thina ma-40
Maforty, do you drink alcohol?
I don't drink alcohol.
this is why you're asking what time the event starts
But
Because
ngiyabona ama-40 thina
Uma-40 ngicabanga uma-40 ngayanatha like utshwala ngali drunkard like.
hayi kube semxotsha ku-podcast kube sekuhamba ngini
That's like Chaban.
But yeah, we are going there.
so you are my 2 upcoming events until
Two
Yeah.
upcoming
next time.
events.
But
Yeah. August. It's actually August, so back outside, boys. We've been inside.
But are they paying?
Winter,
Are they
cold.
paying? Am I DJs in for performing both international and the local ones? There was a screenshot that was circulating.
That was a sad screenshot. But I know.
But I know
my
what you
G's
mean
are
now.
doing business. Cool.
Lava much this siyakibo lava. This is a different crowd.
Yeah.
Because it depends on the promoter and everything.
Who's the promoter?
Nah,
Are
we
we?
can't say.
Are we allowed to say
It's
that?
It's
No, no,
Bula
this is what I'm
exclusive
asking.
events.
Mark lawyer,
No,
bro.
I'm saying Ilana Murumba pitch.
Yeah,
I
it's
not
Bula exclusive
the
events.
Emurumba.
Bulewas,
Bulawa
Screenshot
exclusive
this, yeah.
events.
Mana pela utoma ni
I'll
group
find
yana.
out more information.
Yeah. Offline now.
Who's sending
We'll talk
her?
offline. I'll tell you.
Ku group podcast.
A podcast. What the podcast?
I saw the screenshot. I was like, I even asked Judy, is this true?
Mina mbuzile
Sure.
That one was-
And I was like, this is a Kuluma podcast, so might as well just.
Bro,
Nazi, bro. I think eventually, the headliners are Mr. Jezik.
Chazi Q. Kadu mu Chazi Q. Okay.
Chazi.
continue.
Jezik.
Jezik.
Yes.
Jezik Q, alright.
No, umnikazi wathi nguJezik.
Jezik, eh?
Yes,
Ujezik. Ujezik, utola 50k rands plus Remy Martin, VSOP, by 12 Red Bull, blah blah, accommodation. Uzuma la utola 50k plus Hennessy, VSOP plus 12 tonic water plus Red Bull. Maybe ngene ulale emoten because I will have accommodation.
Maybe uyabuyela kwesakhe.
And then local DJs.
Yabo.
We have DJ Canada.
I screenshot this expose ama artist.
Oh, DJ Canada.
Bamniki godons.
When I
You know what DJ
screenshot say this.
Angazi ukuthi ngisanga. Maybe abantu bakwazi.
Sizomdinga DJ Canada.
Yeah, DJ Canada is walking away with 1,000 rands plus Jägermeister plus a free VIP pass.
That's a good
So
day.
meaning
That's a
ukuthi
good day.
i-VIP pass yakhe
Umuntu.
uzahamba ayibona ngeyakhe ukuthi ahamba ayibingelela uJezik Q or
It's a story lo Chazi Q.
lo cuisine.
God damn.
Then Amanda the DJ, Amanda da DA
800 rands.
800 rand plus Jägermeister plus free VIP pass.
That's a good day.
That one
Yeah,
very
what
cool,
you
man.
want?
That's a good day.
Yeah, it's an
Then-
essay one.
Izinto zijika ku DJ speaker la.
Yeah, what did you speak to? Ibisiza.
Oh, bendinethemba.
Bendinethemba.
But didn't tell me because ibisiza yavele yathi sharp clef. DJ speaker 200 rand. Plus godons. Plus free VIP.
Not
Dash
dash dog.
dog. Uvela ufike dagi.
Akalala
Uvela
dash.
vela somewhere.
I feel like-
Uvela
I
dagi.
feel like-
I feel like
DJ dagi
I
hamba.
feel like speaker yemkando yana uthi remember yami ngisifunela igodons.
Evila meta irate.
Uyabe segazi lamajida kuthiwe machensi. Utshwala sobuphelile. Mina sifike nabana fast kule
Ngiyocha
mbodlela
fast
eveleleyo.
yani baneyimbodlela lenismith.
Sikhambi.
Yebo. But yena uspeaker ngani bamhlonipha mbijana because bamnike something.
Don't speak
200
in
rand.
remember serious this esikhulume so.
Then kulo bafana bameropa. I feel like I've heard this before. Akula abantu abashaya afro hours abele bizeli phosa libe nje so meropa something.
I think so, yeah.
I think they did. Asikwazi ukuthi yiwo yini lawo. 12 pack Savannah maybe ncenye ezingo cheese boy.
Hayi zona zile hotel emoteni lezi zifunela abafazi.
Zifinela abafazi.
Yes, zile hotel
No
emoteni.
VIP dog.
Ilokhu izeni into evele iphe i12 pack le ngiyama hose.
Ngiyama host. Nanti abafazi but izithi umgcinitheni.
Ngiyama hose.
Libe kwazi tu man uthi abafazi.
Hose anze ngathi abafazi ngabafazi. This specific ones abahamba lokuzeni ndabafana bamaropa lapha. They are hoes.
Ngiyama hose.
They are hoes, bro.
Abafazi bonke. Not la abahamba namajida lapha.
Abahamba le meropa lapha.
Abaza nathi 12 pack le.
Awaza nathi 12 pack le nxa uzazi la ufola andi category.
Ukuthi mhlaka
Yamahands.
bani unathi 12 pack le meropa.
And wena umngane wakho yimeropa. Yeah, ho.
Kadava.
Kulo King D da DJ 6 pack Savannah double trap 6 pack Amstel. Yabona besithi ibisiza yathatha sharp care.
Leze 6 pack.
Kathezi
U10.
ibisiza yathatha U10. Ngoba ku DJ Cheese lapha ngathi kwesiqala khona kube lenkathazo. DJ Cheese nothing, bro. And ubhaliwe DJ Cheese equals nothing. NDM nothing. Heavy Q
Nothing.
Nothing, bro. DJ Simba.
Simba phenduke eZimbabwe.
Simba.
Simba lawa mbegoli siya DJ. Come on, bro.
Mfethu kunzime goli mfethu.
Khuluma la ngelanguage angayizwa manje.
Tsoka
Simba
uyami.
Kumba shama.
azibude izo.
Azibude.
Ukuthi DJ amahara manje Simba. Mawani yawa.
Mawani yawa.
Tsoka uzovota.
Mawani yawa. DJ Simba, nothing. DJ One Man, nothing. It is to one. Indian no problem there. Big B. Big B, nothing. You are big for nothing.
DJ Johnny.
I want need Rudo.
Nothing.
DJ Johnny.
Yabona ngakuzani. Ngawusenza inote nje. Ngona ungabhala nothing. Uchiye ku empty kube ubhala DJ.
Kumbufaka emoji le.
But you know, it's things like these that actually like made me start my item. It's things like these, bro.
Like these thing has done here.
Because I've worked with people where I actually get sponsors, you know. I approach people, they do shows with us, and then everyone goes home with something. They will have one teacher speak, I'm a 2 clip on a learning list. And then someone would don't say me and be like, bro, you know, this was my first time to actually get paid for performing. And even lay writer, bro, because I go all out. Even sometimes if it means spending my own money, make sure niggas are soft.
But you'll be surprised some people don't even know about I was to take right at the Queen Kono.
Exactly.
I think
things like this that motivated me to something.
I'm organizers, event organizers are delayed. Like I'm a promoter. I think we event one where a DJ friend of mine was playing. That was a proper event. Yes, a trade fair. I think Nega Nasty C. Who's one to really as treatment enjalo akayijoyelanga asijoyelanga amasamba light nje abangani baka DJ sathi sihamba lapha like ku VIP section yonaleyo Nasty sisibilini ulapha them Angelic lawo robot boy bahleli like wonke umuntu uhlela ba I'm like bro
fike manje
inabani kubhala ibizo lakho laba ethi ulamanga
couldn't believe it
ulamanga mina bro asamso check laba sifike sicheck esibili sibona ama seats abhaliwe like DJ uyazazi member yami fika lapha sanje safika bro sahlala meaning ukuthi vele treatment enjalo
laliana nisafika kiyo lapha lathi balokhu basivulela bazofisa sahlala ecenga kwestage sabona sokuchuchochira abahle bethu iyegama
exactly bro
busy
labana sasingasobanga
you're like this you fuckers
labana sasingasobanga
but
so kunezinye indawo artist avali lendizi manje yithi labo ngabona besivulela bro ama security avula
nje buzani mina you know me I was an artist for a long time
vele bensithi kubuza ukuthi shittiest thing you got as a payment and you were like la laba ngiyadelelwa la
well
umuntu omaziyo o receive i-payment engathi fucked up.
Yeah, well, for the most part it's always when you're coming for free, and like the shittiest ones are always people have to use their own money to get to the event. Ungena emnyango maybe ukuthi la it's a different dynamic because ama artists lawa azenzisa so tutsha labantu abangu7 mina I'm already struggling njengo promoter cabanga wena njengo promoter you're already struggling to get people into the event. Lo umfana kwenketha othe kube kuze performer la sekuya abantu abayi7 sefuna ungena mahara. That I'm saying ucina incede nyakungenisela 3 abanye sibabhadalela sosuka lapha later masufu uhamba imchova siphelile, you know what I'm saying. Mina ukuthi most of my come up was in Namibia. So ngale was a bit different. They would at least ungathiwa right sehle ukubhadala, there was at least a tech writer obukwazi hayi sizaba lama drinks or whatever the case was. But also I'm really not the kind of person to ask these things because I've always been at an advantageous position ukuthi mina yabe mvele nsiya performer that day ngiwile ukunatha 80 US. Ubona kwaba besithi bazokubhatala 40 US. You know what I'm saying? So it doesn't you kind of don't, because for me it's just like a day out or whatever the case is. But I'm an artist at Twelenzima. Mina, in this country, I always say, well, we can blame artists, we can blame promoters, but the problem is when we do that, we take the economy out of the equation. People are just struggling to eat, bro. Everyone is. Sometimes, like, as a promoter, I said, but I'll never support promoters, but he didn't get enough people at the gate, so he doesn't have that excess money. He's already maybe $3,000 in the hole doing that event.
Man, I feel like
Can I come in maybe with the side of a promoter, right? So
because a promoter, motherfucker.
unfortunately,
Yeah,
so,
same here. I'm also a
So,
promoter.
so for me,
How? My
for me,
promoters.
for me,
Alpha.
you have to understand. You have to understand
me, I
from
do
the,
podcast.
from the point a promoter.
Yeah.
First things first, when they give you that promoter's license, the Arts Council will tell you you are in this, you are doing this for money. A promoter is in this business for money.
For money, yeah.
What do we mean? We mean you are in this business to make a profit.
Mm-hmm.
You are not there to service
local.
local. We are there to make money. So what they do? When for instance, there's a time we Oskambo. I remember we used my license for Oskambo, right? Ngaboni take that Oskambo, right? And I'm like, okay, cool. Then I was like, I needed to see my contracts, my local what. And I'm a local artist.
Yeah, please.
So here's the thing. Umuntu Chegi, I've always said as an artist, know your worth. How do you know your worth? When unganza yakho event uyanda bangaka bezobhadala and you pay your expenses usale malini. That's your worth. What remains when the show yakho one, that's your worth. Because as a promoter, my job is numbers. I want numbers. So I'll call people who bring me numbers. Right? And I'll say, for instance, guys, do you know after paying Oscar or whatever artist, international artist, you have to go to Zimra and pay 15% of how much you paid that artist with Zimra. Then you go to immigration, pay $500, temporary workers permit. Then you go to censorship control and you pay $250 for censorship control.
Then you pay him.
Before you even go to those guys, the Arts Council says, even you get under Bangkok, about 1,000. How much are you charging each ticket? We want 5% of that. Before you paid, before you even given letters to go to these other agencies. Then remember, why stage, why venue, why am I LED screens, why security, and security. You go to the police. You go to the police. You go to the police.
Sound culture funny to shit if we 10,000.
You see, you go to the police. The police will tell you sifuna imali engaka.
What's your phone?
After
equipment.
After the police will tell you sifuna imali engaka, the police will tell you, then we want you to get your own security, private security, so that we balance. So they're taking the same amount of private security. So part of the private security.
Police private security.
Yeah, you're printing tickets.
So
you're printing tickets. You're marketing. It's a lot. Then remember, I'm a VIP. Yeah. There's a VIP. There's a VIP section in it. So a lot is coming in there. A lot is coming in there. For you to just come and defend, you know.
I know.
What I'm saying,
There's
the
a lot coming
safest
in.
control artists should have experience here promoting. Just be someone owazi with it. I'm not saying know your worth is being
don't
expensive.
overcharge.
No.
Yeah.
Kbrizzy the event la wothi rough ngika $50. Uhlube bold.
Oh,
But kulabantu labana male attitude ka noma yini boss. Yikho kwenza uniki mina manje. Ngoba inoma yini yakona le.
Inoma yini nothing.
Anduzukanye into eziningi njalo lapho ezifuna imali. Mina ungathi noma yini kimi ngizadama emba yami kuyilahla.
Do you know I once was doing this comedy show. Bro, I went to SA, sat down with someone, agreed on how much I'm paying this person. Imagine Then imagine you charge me $600, ne?
Yeah.
$600. Then I discover Mgcini ufuku perform like 3 weeks before my show, ufuku perform and I $2. And maybe it was a new $100. And I should be okay with it as a promoter. That's another thing. Because the promoters talk, bruh.
So
mina ngimutefuna 500.
Mina
You get the thing. I'm an artist now, consistent now in their charging.
Yeah, but
also, you know,
going event, but I hear what you're saying.
Yeah.
I hear what you're saying.
At the
be
same
consistent
time,
though.
at the same time, bangala consistency yona leyo. I'm an artist wana ewodwa abambananga.
True.
I've seen this happen Gobulawayo, and I've had conversations lamanye ama DJ asiyafika ku point with no, I know my worth. For example, the Ryan synth. Yeah, exempling yazi because nyamaza. amajita sebesivumelene dog ukuthi yabo yazini
singazichiphisi
ipromoter le vele iyasidelela le promoter le iyasidelela akasiniki lutho yabo but every time sihlala siya performa ku event like siya DJ yibo labano and others aba performa ngo2 emini kusase sound check abantu sometimes bengakabuyi but kokanti iradio mele ibikhala sivumela ntano ama promoter la asesijayele kakhulu okube ngama promoter la nathi siza kubhadala after the event but all the time event ingenzakala awula payment ebuyayo bro ama DJs sivumelani Kbrizzy with asihambi sivumelani nti asihambi comes the day of the event
under the sun
sihlangane egedini sithu kare ndoda asivumelana ukuthi wena ubuyina vele kare la sivumeleni but wena udingana lamuthi yabona attitude yona ingqondo yona yiyo ezenza kungabi le mali ezocirculate around
vele kubambana
ngoba yena I'm sure ngase zisotala bani sit how Ryan bazenzisa
mjuni yaba sokuthiwa bro thina siya kunika opportunity
panini godons wena le
you know ukuthi
labana bayahlanya
yabo
but then again mina vele lokho ukuthi uchaye emini uchaye ebusuku whatever for me it really doesn't matter because here's the thing what I feel or what I know and I remember there was an event lapho kubulawa kwakule some guys from Malala performing some guys from Bulawayo performing event every qasa ngo7 akwagcwala abantu kodwa mjita ngena uthi no mina ngiperform ngelabantu imama like wena abantu bakuvela bavuze belande wena njoba wathi kuposta banga bavele banga
Maforty le disorder
kulaba
abafana guess what happened njalo because yarada yathucha che kesi yathi thucha che ingena nizo perform kwangena egedini wabona ngale egedini kungena futhi crew
abantu
bazobukela abantu umemba wathi kanti iphinde nini wacha abantu bahlaya wathepha stage la abantu baphuma
amfani
abantu bakhe
that's what happened
performa nami zothi abantu abakho
bafana bathi kuthutha
headline yathi ngena abantu ongazi babecashe nga bagcwala kwachaza ivibe yachaza bathi bethatha ama mic umemba lana ephuma abantu balandela umuntu ade so stage bethatha la mafoto ngapha kwasala ngela
maybe nxa abantu mfana bathi
so performa ngo2 dog
mina what I've learned as an artist personal mina wawule into lana ukuthi amafoto vura ka show open BN opener and what else no because that's at the time that's most I never shy away from opening a set because I know what I'm saying with I know my people have arrived and I know my people and I'm going to perform. It doesn't matter the slot. The most important thing is your people. Futhi bekuhappy because abantu bebanga umsindo upe whether ngo2 next time but iphuze yabisana abaningi asimfakeni isikabani asimfakeni you have to earn some of these things. You guys can't be given. Imagine I can't perform abantu abazokwela banga
and ungasqueeze futhi khona phana so uza performa la wena uzama ukuthi usqueeze uqalisa abantu bakhe bona sebemelele
ngicabanga situation enjalo like so mele perform kuthiwa abantu bakho bangaphi wena nxa usithi kwakho wena akula muntu
abakho bakhe
like abakho ube le attitude na le mfana nami kungene maybe sithi vele singamajita Kbrizzy yaperforma la asamenze so zibambela something lapha
siyabuya thesi
eseqedile sithi siphume egedini hayiye sithi sipenduka J10 quick fast so ipoint kama40 ukuthi umuntu mele nxa ukuthi wena uthi awuperformi kungelabantu yibapha abantu abafuna bakabantu
well mina I hear that mina I'll say ukuthi in my
especially if you are local we are abantu bakho dog
yeah bayalathi
mina in my
thina sebesinathi
ngoba bakhaya bangene mahara bona laba yi10
in my extensive experience these things are never really black or white
exactly yeah
yiko mna akhalala into the entertainment is
but you know
mangiqedisa point
yeah
unama chance
sengaye ngaba seNamibia open show ka AK ngelabantu aka ukina I'm talking after robbery he got there and he sat in the car he refused to come out he said there is no way I don't pull people in this country this promoter I think he was an amateur or overcharge getting abantu bazira somewhere else so sometimes I understand what artists are but these things I've seen so many scenarios where promoters fucked up maybe they chose a shitty venue they chose a wrong date month end or whatever it was that specific one esasiyakiyo they even had to ask us as artists so ngama-7 so isho zaqala ukuthi tweetani ukuthi sesiyehlisa ama-ticket aseyi-200 aseyi-50 abantu bebeke artist sabonga utwitter sabhala ku-Facebook but abantu at that point they've made plans no one is gonna turn around last minute and then ukinan wayari uphume emoteni bro and then I think he demanded they pay him an extra but edenye imali and then he had to come out on stage and then the little stadium but it was abantu akade bengangena eclub kuphela. Shit. They'd anticipated 10,000 people. We probably got only 2,000 or 3,000. And then he just did his thing and then he left. So I know those scenarios where a bona fide artist.
Exactly. When I would a bona fide artist. Umuntu vele ole who has done it. When you can't be a local artist society.
Anguyali. You know where my point was going?
Yeah.
My point was going. These things.
Local artist
No. Okay, upcoming. You can't be an upcoming.
No, but you came already.
What artist?
Alright.
Well, you can't be an upcoming artist with a outrageous demand.
Exactly.
That one I understand. But here's the thing with entertainment. What makes great entertainers is usually overinflated egos. So every time you're dealing with artists, you're dealing with someone who thinks
they're big.
My shit is gold.
True.
And that's what usually makes great artists, great storytellers, or that they have.
But if your content is good, yes, it works. But if your content is like,
but my point goes, content blind or not. Vele to become an artist, you must think very highly of yourself. Yeah. Do you guys not know me?
No.
Do you not know how I talk about myself?
But when given the opportunity, you produce.
Yeah, I mean, so I'm an exception.
Back up to your your ego.
How much do you charge, bro?
I'm a once in a lifetime artist.
Do you know how someone? Please.
How much do you charge, bro?
I mean, I take right there, man. We're gonna be Big Brother chickens. We're taking cookies 250. They feed you 6 weeks. I'm revolutionizing the game. Revolutionizing.
It's fine.
Do you know I haven't performed in such a long time? I haven't done shows in an extremely long time. No, very has been. Never was.
So, I feel like my advice to any artist out there, not just artist, whether local artist, local hoe, local podcaster,
content creator, some reaction videos. Garbage.
Okay. Just know your worth.
You know your worth is difficult, more hungry.
Bro. Just charge $50 and down.
How hungry you take anything.
I know for a fact.
Because there's no such thing as a free show. Because now Mgcini, the camera, it's already minus $1.
But my argument to me is.
And what are you going to gain there?
Nothing. My argument to me. My argument from this end is exposure. And exposure is a real thing.
How much
close, you're talking about.
How much would that exposure pay you?
When that day. Ngawungenisa show yami ngathi ngwasi mina vele 18 cup abantu bangena vele Saturday. So ungangqili mina uthi all these people came from me. I know on a Saturday kuzaba abantu abayi 113 cup emi.
When TikTok ngithi local artist yafika local pub ithela mina athi nxa isiqede ukuperform it thank you guys for
vele una wewe weird.
Usitshela Masimbo wena ngoba
uyile
So hold on, let me finish my point. So my point becomes nguhayiri ukuthi uzoperform 18 cup. 18 cup ngwazi vele uzaba abantu 100 emi.
Babuye vele.
Those 100 people don't know who the fuck you are. Now you have 100 new people who have 8 minutes to kind of experience you and then decide. If you fail to give them a fire experience, but ungaba blind, what's that? That's what the exposure thing.
At some point, I feel like.
I'll not dispute you with
at some point.
Yes.
At some point, mele babe kwazi.
Vele siyavumelana machance.
Mele babe kwazi.
Yiko nxa uanda la uyayithatha exposure su crosser off. So fika ku point ngeke uhayu asafe for
wena umnika umngane wakho uDJ babe bhathi bezo lakhe eceleni kwabo Njeric labo Nasty C.
Yeah.
Lay exposure bro because you can even like dap those niggas, talk to them. They can even
Take
watch
pictures
you
with
perform.
them.
Take
Take
pictures.
pictures, yeah.
They can even watch you perform and decide maybe share them your songs, but tweeting as but yo, is
True.
particularly exposure ukuthi uCasper behleze holiday ine lokho ebhema imbanje ngalo nina li performa ngo-Twitter ngalichisa
Lana limboni.
ethe buya
Alimbonanga.
lingasebenza lixoshile la
Nxa ese performer bro, kuthiwa asifuni umuntu
akulanto
stage.
enjalo vele
Le ngimembe yami yabe manage stage engiyazi.
Uyaziyo.
Engiyazi.
egumulayo
Kabe sebengasafuni umuntu bro.
Sebexotsha,
Sebexotsha kuthiwa vele asifuni muntu.
wena that time yabusulani elokhisi senzani
ngapha wena
igodozi
uperforma emahamthi
isiqwathi igodozi
Lama savana kwa ithofu.
sepelile
Abe sesekhaya.
so
But
leyo
choose
aso
one.
exposure kujwayela
I feel an artist.
Abafana bameropa.
I feel an artist when it comes to exposure.
Abafana
You have to be
bameropa
calculative
ngabo,
as an
man.
artist. What is exposure to and what is
yes
not?
exactly
It's fun now today. We're recording today. It's an anniversary for me. First performance in Harare, right? I forked my own money. It's got one. Gadi passing mali zami intercap. Then I spend money for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. And that 5 minutes propelled me to perform more times in Harare. It worked for me. Then kuna manye la yetu ngiyabizwa so ngithi ngikhaya ukuthi what am I getting off this if I'm to transport myself? If I knew there was nothing I'm going to get out of Mko.
exposure
You have to be strategic. You have to be strategic
Vele
now.
ungabe uyathi udala.
You have to be strategic.
mina enambia kule club uthi DMT this one time they asked me to come perform for something called Zambia Night iZambia Night ngangihamba mina eZambia Night mfana yozokutha that place was crawling with pussy Zambia Night engayenzi nje wasofi club yakho ne3 in 1 ngokuyi club engama club ayi3 ubhatala ka1 eminyango ngapha babe play kizo ngomba ngapha babe play house ngapha play hip hop
Wikizomba like it's a local.
Zambian amangwanda ama hips lawana wana you gotta have hips for this shit
Yeah.
so babesithi bengathi like the ones that asked me to come perform and they didn't pay me dog I was more than willing because I knew that day I was gonna get I knew the crowd it was wena kuthiwe buyizo DJ amare konke la you can't
Yeah, you know.
exactly you see
You ask
This is a
yourself.
good crowd.
demali lapha ninye singakudonsela
I might impress.
Somele wela.
I might meet other
Yeah.
artists and it's good for my discography kuthiwe ngaperform konke then you
exactly
go do it
but
But-
twabo uzoperform emakhosi man
so do you know for the most part vele ama nakuthi tell it to me Nitiwa khono ngazeli ku internet nitiwa khono sazi kufana lani check do you know ama inter artist lokhu zenini into zokucharge ama feature leziyana it always depends ukuthi who asked first and what mina kunjani mina ngabe le artist edit Kbrizzy I want to work with you but ngimbone ukuthi
Funga uvuka
fana udume
ngami.
magwekwe
followers
Funga uvuka ngami.
nokucharge but same principle uholy 10 at Kbrizzy I want to work with you ubona nza charge holy 10 mina hanza easy dog very I had something here
Nango pa.
so idea yeah exposure
You
have to be
strategy
strategic.
do you think you're above the platform or below the
Yes,
platform
yeah.
that's all it is
Yeah.
so it's never a general thing ukuthi wena kade singathi
Akho
hambe
black and
perform
white,
Madison Square
you say.
Garden asikubhadala uyahamba
Bruh, I even pay my own flight, bruh.
usolo mekji bethi fikani macheni
Hey. Vele. Vele mana vele.
see what I'm saying so in the way exposure is that it's never black and white so
Yeah,
it depends
yeah,
ukuthi wena are you below or above the platform but singabizwa ngenye podcast
local podcast
Hey boss.
ndoda
Hey boss siyachacha. Angeke lageni.
we take that back
Yes,
we
yes,
take
chisela.
as stout staunch supporters
Hey boss I.
chila moya we take that back
But bro, yazi kulento ngifuna like lintshele ukuthi ngiphethe yini for into le like kule iclub. Yabo iclub lena anso ngikhuluma ibizo layo but iclub lena recently opened sort of like a clubhouse, yabo.
okay
On Friday last week I got an invite over the phone bese ngiyengizwa vele ukuthi kule event enje lizabizwa uzabizwa yabona like ukuthi libuye lizobona indawo I'm like cool vele I'm expecting the what
the call
the message or the call bona sibili message WhatsApp hi Mgcini, this is what you've been invited to come check out the new what house I'm like clean ngithi ngiyavula ifone in 10 minutes esembona sorry we are calling people in batches so we'll invite you angazi like it was explain ukuthi
later
like later yabo I'm like Alright, it's fine. Then sembona abantu ababiziweyo first batch wena le. Ngithola uKabela khona ngale. Ngithole uRafu khona ngale. I'm like shit, ikiboss yalikatsa.
I didn't order.
Abazahamba uthi dog.
Ikiboss
Ulentshela uKamela kuba.
So kahle hayi
sneakers.
team yezwe lo.
Wakhala uMantingwane.
But yakhumbula mina utshengisa message kasho ngathi we are no longer going there.
Yeah, no longer
because
going.
we are not B, we are not plan B. I saw my morning after.
Vele no.
Wow.
Yeah, vele win.
Why you fucking plan B, niggas?
Angconekele kube overcrowded that
nah, you cannot
invite umuntu umcancel.
Vele ngangcono unga invite vele.
Oh, esekutshelile ngoba ngikutshela explanation ukuthi sale ngibhethe. Ngoba lethi no, listen,
the
event cancelled.
Yeah.
Postponed.
Postponed. Yeah, the event was postponed. You can tell someone
that,
listen, we cannot prioritize you right now.
Prioritize. Then ubusubona abantu abaprioritize why?
Yiki team eninga prioritize kuhlohla. Iboss uyiprioritize kuhlohla.
Yiki boss number 1. Ngeze enye phase. Lokhu ize ni phrase twa iboss obuthuvi. Ukuthi kutshoni. Sizakhuluma after game yangesandi.
Awula after game yangesandi sizakhuluma vele.
Ngoba yeah, but iboss obuthuvi. I have a question for you guys. And that was mina. I always like to ask you questions. This question is for the people here. It's fine, guys. It's allowed to type whatever as long as you or your boss. You can always comment. Question is, have you ever been double-crossed or betrayed by a close friend?
By a close friend.
Because into nginanzelele recently ukuthi kade ngichange kwi-observation yokuthi abantu esengixabane labo mna dibe close ngimi majide especially imali or ngabafazi.
The two most important things.
Yeah.
No, 3. Singakhohlwa uNkulunkulu bangani bami.
Yeah.
Lezulu.
But uNkulunkulu is not meant to axabanise phela.
Betrayed.
Hayi yabona
abafazi. Libe limuza umgcini weSDA ongene eBeacon of Hope uthe uNkulunkulu akaqala
ukuthi mina.
I think everyone has been betrayed by
Yabona ukushiya ama stories.
Close friend.
Have I been betrayed?
Mina nzaba philosophical 2 seconds bisidlulela kwabathi. Well, for the most part,
people lapho mamba aba intellect go.
Asengenze too much.
Ngoba enye comment
kulo umuntu osuke ku podcast wazwa engomeni yami ongibiza mamba engomeni yami. What the fuck is wrong with you people? Those are two different jobs. Ngari ngiku big juicy. Ngingumamba ngapha.
Anyway, qhubeka mamba.
Ananda noma ngingaba ngumamba it's chilled. Abantu vele designed to be self-serving. That's how we are. It's not even a negative trait. It's just about the preservation of life.
Yeah.
So you are designed to uvika qala. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is, doc. We are self-serving. It extends further than that. You always are built to look out for your interests first. This is why people who actually look out for other people's interests first become so revered. Or Mandela, or Tongomanda, or Mother Teresa,
Gabe,
Gabe,
Angagwa,
Gandhi. You know what I'm saying? So,
what Gandhi, the racist guy?
Gandhi.
My point is, I feel like if you try to always understand human behavior from a philosophical standpoint, you won't take a lot of things personally. You won't take umuntu eguqila as ukuthi uyangidelela. You just understand. That's how fucking people are.
I'm getting your heart.
Isn't it fuck? I think we post or because I'm a post large when I'm watching post in this so isn't it weird or fucked up? We all think we are good people.
Yeah, that's me.
Like strongest winning.
Everyone is convinced I'm not.
So like when I was telling you, mina ngi-out sharp bonke umuntu uzitshela ukuthi uyi
And it's impossible ukuthi because everyone
akwenzi vele
has a fucked
Yeah,
up story about
wonke
people.
umuntu uzitshela ukuthi uyiswi even though Judas la ehlezi ngale khona lakhe sele fall out.
Uthola ukuthi yena uthola wayegulelwa ngumamazala. Uthola wayegulelwa ngumamazala zamuraise imali kuyela ngithi umamazala. Engakosithengisa imvana.
But yena kuside yakhe bona members imsola esithi
Machenzi alikwazi ukuhamba nje endlini yakhe ukulafa.
Yeah.
Umamazala uyazichekela lapha. You know what I'm saying?
You just made me Mgcini status sika-Joseph.
LGBTQ. Imba. What did you does? Wayigqoka i-coat of many colors.
Joseph.
Hayi no, yabona ukuthi siqeda khoma.
Umfana we-SDA.
No. Ukuthi siqeda khoma ngoJudas, yabo.
Oh,
So ingqondo yabo. uJoseph i-coat yakhe
Colored.
type us.
sathi sibona iko
LGBTQ.
What I see. What mimi lena
LGBTQ.
What I see comrade.
That's some
Finally.
content, bro.
Well,
Wazophuta sibamthengisa ngoba babengama-phobe.
But yeah,
wena ngamafopu.
Babengama-phobe.
Mboza nga dissector abana bana.
But yeah.
Asiqede indaba le.
Utawuka umfazi kapolisi ethi mjita mdobe yana ta inotso.
Yo, the plot's thick.
Wena umjita kaPotifa.
Wena ucheri kaPotifa.
Wena ucheri kaPotifa. Machenzi.
This G.
Oh, is that where LGBTQ get ama colors from?
I don't know, bro.
Hayi get away.
Lithini ngathi lina?
Azophela.
Wena ngothi umjita we LGBTQ.
Let's go with
But yeah,
betrayals.
like lezi zinto zona lezo uthi abantu nxa sihlangana like singabantu Kbrizzy ngilendlela mina expecta ukuthi ube yiyona. Ngoba enye into exabanisa abantu yona le ukuthi knowing maybe uRalph or knowing uMaforty ngilendlela expect ukuthi uzithithi ngayo around mina or mawulami wabantu aba around mina. Exabanisa abantu ukuthi you then discover ukuthi uKbrizzy ayisimuntu lo kade ngimcabangile ukuthi nguye ekhanda.
Then one day buy private lounge.
Yeah,
Center.
Echaiponya toilet. This fucking guy. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Yeah, I think that much yeah.
Like into khona abantu nxa ufuna vele abantu ungahlali uxabana labantu because of that. Unganike abantu benefit of the doubt. Yabo, like
So you very expected the worst out of everyone.
not the worst, but just be open with anything fucked up can happen.
I see. I think you and me are saying the same thing.
Yeah.
Umngane my city umngane my city. Why should every time whatever girlfriend you want, whatever friend you need, you always I need someone who's trustworthy. I need someone. When are you trustworthy?
Vele
Are you
kuthiwa-
reliable?
kuthiwa-
Because we want those things and yet we are not even those things.
What are this dream guy that you are thinking of? Do you think he would choose you? When I was kangeni ngebonnet yakho.
We
Engakukhetha
dream
iBrazil.
girl yakhe.
But I feel like you and me are saying the same thing. Because you have to understand once you understand the projection, people should just read up basically on the projection. What sometimes, most of the time, people's behavior is not even about you. Every time if you take people's betrayals and behaviors personally, you are kind of making it about you. Sometimes it's not about you, Jay.
But abanye ndoda Jay kunye uyabonile betrayal.
Hayi kulokunye dog ukubona ukuthi vele uThomelo uyangigubha.
Na Jay kule member ndoda imember lana Jay. Yabona lo kanti uyahlangana le cherry. Like ngikhambe maybe ku date or sambe siyenza whatever khona ke sikwenzayo Jay. Ule member one versus it. Hey, Kbrizzy.
Lesiyana.
Ngimenzeni? Super kick FU ngiphinde.
Nabala ngikhuluma njalo
Yabo.
Angikhulumi njalo.
Ngama example. Ngile member njalo Jay yabo. Imember leya mangitshela mina khokho mbe ngitshela khona. Actually vele ngitshengisa amajitu cherry yona iyekhanya ingani ibuza kakhulu.
Mani yagubha ivo.
Lesi ngani siyiswile lesi bro. I'm like hayi bro. Like I mean asikrend lo cherry. Even singaxabana lo cherry, I'll tell the guy ukuthi mina vele sile toxic relationship ngale vele sihlala silo bro, but at the end of the day siyasesidwana amajingoro esizifuna.
Nambara baba isemcini. Mpapa yise.
Baba samena. Hello.
Utla chibili ngobele enhloni.
LGBTQ.
Remember ngimtshela mina information yona le.
Yena ithathe yise.
Remember man lokhu vele ngakudiscover phambili but umemba aqalisa ukuthi Jay I have a feeling ukuthi uCherry lwa uyamfuna nguCherry endlala mbe ngizokutshela ngaye mina
but necessity
sesithi Jay I have a feeling ukuthi uCherry lo njani yangifuna do and mina knowing izimbulu engidlala lazo mina azingeze ezibongamba zifuna like bro umuntu yabomaza not ukuthi ngebe ngikudelelwa yani but ngeke ngikwazi the type of person okhuluma ngaye because I relationship yethu isi develop to some kind of a friendship yabo so sengize ngikwazi like that ngisole vele khona uCherry lo sefuna imembe yami ekwazi ukuthi lami yakwazi bro code bro I'm like Cherry lo maybe dele ngilo jaha fonele bro fonele uCherry kanti wena lo Cherry uthi selingabang like seli close like that
ufuna uBreezy
mbuzi ukuthi karona ku Breezy ufunani yabo ethi Jay afa skipper you see grand now le ndawa la bangiso ngikubhoti into yenzakala kule nto yenzakala la like ngibone umember lapho kuye akhulume athi so uCherry athathi Jay mina vele ngangiswele ukuthi nyani ngiza ukukhuza njani ngomngane wakho lo mana khona Cherry bro biya lama screenshot Jay kumembe into engimtshela zona zonke hambe siyabuza kuCherry athi umgcina athi wena wenze so now I'm like Jay first of all yabona sokuya ngeke mina bro sokuya ngeke mina ngahle ngatshela uCherry but wena lawa kumele uzibuze ukuthi umember lo ngimthemba onganani ukuthi ngize ngimtshela into zonke into endla ngiqamba ngamanga whatever umembe ngangimtshela khona sithi kwenzakile kwakwenzakile cabanga if
wonga exaggerate
ngayinga exaggerate cabanga nxa kuyi situation yanothi ngibese mfaka letswayi ngithi maybe abe sidlalile nesale namuhla
3000
yabo like umember Jay ngadiscover khonoko bro ukuthi I remember Jay yathatha information umtading
mina
umuntu engangingamcabangeli Breezy
izinto ethu
umuntu engangamcabangeli bro
I feel like this is just
bro code does not exist you know that right
better friends
you know bro code does not exist
yabona endaweni ezinje Jay endaweni ezinje we can't apply that philosophy ukuthi people are naturally self-serving because this motherfucker is just being a dick
this is just a
shit
friend
yeah
big better
friends I think I have a similar situation I'm sure you know about it
yeah no
big
but wena ngakhuza wena
big Jay maybe ngangupart 1 esigela you know
ikhona recent
on my hood red sheet no on my hood red sheet
on my hood red sheet
on my hood red sheet where you like line so Cherry mbolo Cherry by 3 or 4 and then it so happens ukuthi member lena sihawukelo yohani then sihamba kulana sithi vele liyakwazi ukuthi member leni yelidlala sitshela bonke line sitshela iroster
mani chedi sorry
yikuyini kona lo bro and uCherry maye babencanywe na futhi babe abazombuza carry I'm hearing you doing this what's up
you see ngabothi laba lithola abafazi abahle
see ukuthi it's a shit
bese lithola lamajita ngatholi abafazi abahle I set up yena ndiyenza
mina umunyazi wenzani
umuntu ebese geja wena ethi ugcina uthi entshona mpangukela mayithola lo uCherry lo lamjina kwana
omunye Jay aqamba wathi nje ngikutshela ngepotential signing Fabrizio stage
Fabrizio tweets
like I'm telling you ukuthi okay Liverpool has made a bid
negotiations
like ongoing umuntu uthatha mane le information ya ayibuza umuntu engizama ukunegotiate la
njalo bayisihlama
bro abantu laba ngabantu emphila labo ngabantu abanye omunye ngikhulume ngaye la
mana vele nhle ngithi ungazibona uyindoda
amachiteri ngawenza njalo
lalela ungazibona uyindoda and you have to downplay another man to try and get in with a girl
you know
uyislama
vele wazibona indoda ikhuluma ngenye
indoda uzama ukukhuluma nenkazana uthi vele yenza lo mfana lwana
mana uyislama vele ungabona i-conversation yakho lenkazana oyifunayo isi involve ibizo lo lenye indoda phakathi
ole chance la
usubhayi wenkabi vele so you come on Kbrizzy
but then again we all can't be the realest niggas alive abanye benu vele amajila bezama ukuthola something
yeah
so you can tell me na you have to understand ukuthi most of the time people's behavior is not about you umjana wengakuzondi Jay todo ayifisa kuba ukuthola into ozitholayo and feel like ukuthi
but it's jealousy phela na la
but it's not about you, it's about them.
He was just being himself.
He was just trying to wiggle a win the best way he felt like he could. You consider him now.
Example, like sometimes it's not even about you. Example, which like when fire up, and you see a snake, you see Zagucha up, and you just pull it from Silawa. You're not the first thing when you trade on Silawa, it will bite you. Yeah. It's just being a snake. And when you're just being a human being. So when you be cool with them, but when by nature they're just fucking snakes.
And I've experienced it.
They'll just bite
I've experienced people that were my friends and are still my friends, and some of them I've never told them. And they were hitting on a girl.
His situation
is somebody says more
like his situation like then how do you treat
but I'm telling you,
how do you treat the
also
situation
swear
in
the
that?
shit
My
niggas
used to do my guy. Tinenda sizenza my chance to
maybe he's the type of nigga that goes.
This is what we used to do. This is what we used to do my chance. This is what we used to do my chance. Navuku signa ucherolwana, right? Ukona hini la ungabe ufuna ucherolwa always vula lama chance angcono.
Wazi yakhuluma.
Asikhulumi sethi hayi
no, we're honest enough.
Yabusuzitshengisa potential.
Me and my friends we used to talk. Like yazinjani? Like umjito wami mina like I said, like amajito wami most of them are now married. I told them my chance angifuni ubona sense what I mean because angifuni ukungena you know but tina we cool guys. Tina we cool my chance. Tina we cool. No uthi athengisa take tina umuntu take tina I can't spill this news, but now we're good, my chance.
I understand, bro. Everyone is until they're not.
But we've never had this
it hasn't happened to you until it happens to you.
No, we never. Okay, what I know is we never had this in our circle.
Well, okay, good for you. I'm happy. No, I'm happy. Because in Alama, I have a specific circle of friends where nothing like that has ever happened.
In our circle.
We have even had situations where kwaqisha wabale umuntu ehle vuke ekhulume group lemajita qala yena. Machance phose konakala.
In our circle never had that.
Oyemfonela personally Kbrizzy. Lapha nambonti umuntu wona besesenza so ngavela ngazile endlini or whatever the case is. Amajida I'm not
exactly
perfect.
And it's not like those circle. Opportunities don't present
they
themselves.
Do
amankazana vele sometimes anjalo like but like that
ngamajida blind futhi
ngasitshona sonke so when waqasa kumdlalisa kuphi eqasa ukuthi Ralph but yakwazi umngane wakho lena ke ngaso chance yami uqasa ukuthi ngithi vele ukabile ehlala
so ungenza
yabo
mina I might have known you mina like I said maybe ngine seku yami and maybe le seku leyana and I know you ananga uzibana and you're not in my circle and I want your chick I'll go for it.
Wait, which is fine. You're saying you're not in my circle. It's fine.
I'd go for it.
It's fine. But if it's someone you question like a close friend.
Close to now we never really used to do.
Yeah, I'm going to produce lapha bekwazi.
Get a close friend.
So lapha vele befuni content kimi. Uwinile mfana.
Mina ndombuza. Let's say you have a friend and who wants this girl.
My girl.
All right, no. Okay. Wena ufuna uchera uchelo lembona every day but uchelo ufuna Kbrizzy and Kbrizzy yakwazi no in fact uchelo yakhuluma futhi Kbrizzy meyakufuna Kbrizzy yakwazi thina wena mgcini wamfuna
so wena usuzwile yena yabesezwile ukuthi uchelo not ufuna mina
hayi umgcini
yena akakwazi but mina sengikwazi
wena yakwazi thina umgcini wamfuna
so ucherry like
Cherry tells you
to some extent ucherry is using me to get closer to Kbrizzy.
Exactly. That's how it should be.
Because I'm a situation anjalo vela.
Because sometimes and
some
prison
because akona messages that one to where it's you have a crush on this kid and but she has a crush on Kbrizzy. And Kbrizzy obvious whether you can get any person when I want to mfuna fan but now wants to get ufuna Kbrizzy.
Bro, mina my advice situation enjalo bro. Once you discover uchera kafuni wena ufuna like the next person. Chana lakho.
Yabonga kwazi.
But you
right, no, let me tell you what happened.
Oh, of course.
Now this was a form of betrayal. Ngachela ama chance matutani. Ulochelo engimfunayo and that's high school. And ulochelo engimfunayo. I just thought I see what sawuncedisa nje isukunika ama pointers and so on. But in that group there's one guy uyakwazi damn vele uchelo nyamkwanisa ukumngena phakathi. Anytime.
Sethatha ama pointers wonke la vele.
Don't even uthatha ama pointers.
Sekugcwalisela wena.
So ngamthethe matutani. Ngicela incedise la. Uthi no sisi ungawari no pressure. Sasa sikhuma la spare even efonini. thola ukuthi a week later amchita bethi amadoda otshela ngamhlaba mina wathatha.
But ikhuluma eqinisile because amajita lamanga.
But either way, yakwazi into enjalo mina. Hey, that's a tough one.
So there's this girl I liked,
see?
right? Like I wanted this girl. And then
But hey, that's it.
uchera yabo umchita check. Ngathi discover uchera ufuna umchita. Azingenzani please. Amchi uchera wama umchita wami. Because that's what she
But
wanted.
nginhliziyo ebuhlungu.
That's what being a friend is.
But
Okay.
yeah, but
No, like
we're still keeping in the circle,
I think okunye
Either
ukuthi uchere balezi ngingqondo madoda.
Mina lalela, ipoint ade ngifuna ukuyitsho ukuthi wena ungathi ungucherry. Ukwazi ukuthi umgcini uyazifela ngawe.
And
Then
esikhathini
hayi.
eziningi they know ukuthi
Lalela, ungathi ungucherry ukwazi umgcini uyazifela ngawe. Ubusebenzise iadvantage ukuthi umgcini uyazifela ngawe when to try to get to me. You're already a very horrible person because clearly now
she's a whore.
so far spice.
Yeah.
Jake uzophosa nabalahle in a friendship.
Ocheri bamerupa labana
Abe-12 savana
she's a
nabanye.
hoe, bro.
Because dog umuntu onjalo uyabona ukuthi nalo ngabangani.
Yeah.
She's now willing to hurt you to just
But
see my penis.
Even if engathola Kbrizzy akasikummisbehavior uzawumanipulate uyasho dala umfuni.
Uchero njalo dangerous.
Ebesitshela abangane bekhe lingababoni behlezi compare podcast ngabachuna bonke.
But now my question would be nanze enye situation la. uBreezy kulochera khuluma la. Like ucheri lona vele uhle wastater eqalisa ukukhuluma lo Breezy wathi J beqalisa ukukhuluma J imembe yakho lana umgcinile. Ngiyayifuna.
Mina sensiba lenkani.
But then uBreezy
Lenkani.
akalankani because uBreezy la ucheri uyamfuna uBreezy decides to what
zama
ukugcina information yana angantsheli mina
hayi labana ngihla
like angantsheli and ufucha khona ama situations
Manengi
like
vele.
because we cannot always blame ocheri ukuthi
Eh.
ibona la majita khona afihla information enjalo
ngoba la
uyakwazi ukuthi ucheri yamfuna
Thina
wangantsheli
Tshela omunye,
Bona kuthengisile
tshela
okade
omunye.
kufuna this week.
Yeah, ikuba yihlathi. Tshelana omunye.
Tina we used to
Ngitsende
make sure
groupini, ngitsenda.
get away wena.
Ngitsendile
Ah,
groupini
get
kuna
away.
kuthi umgcini.
Sibonile but get away. Say. Wena.
Awubona igroupini nje.
Wena mbona
no
ngayi.
but no
Ngitsendile groupini lomntu adefuna umgcini ngahle ngasenda fair.
lalela just to
Mina
say
manje ngimfuna umuntu lwana.
lo bumfuna
Azalela.
alright it's fine
All right.
but I just wanted to set the record straight but never mind.
Oh, you said enough. Uzile. Tell her to set the record straight.
Oh.
But never mind.
Okay.
Fana.
iPhone
ruler
Sula ma punchline mana. Number 1.
but yeah guys ngama conversations esibalayo la ku podcast
But ukhomazini beyufuna udoctor kwenza umuntu ongumfazi uthi
But ukukhuluma
Yeah.
indaba
Ufuna Jane lo.
yeah
ukukhuluma indaba ye-broco then ukuthi alright let's put the scenario ukuthi wena mgcina ubulo cherry and you guys you dated and then
ubuwanti ngiyamthanda
hayi
Asisime khona.
hayi man hayi
Alright.
alright so nansi friend group and
No.
1 2 3 4 5 and singabangani we hang out and we all know to nobulo girlfriend and you guys you broke up
bengimthanda yini because ngenye into mele
Very that's a vital question.
Very
Ubedlala
vital.
ngayo.
like
Umthanda.
umuntu esijolile
Umthanda.
and shit happens and you guys broke up and
yeah
then thola ukuthi what Kbrizzy and so the next example
yeah
thola ukuthi Kbrizzy and Lochera have now been speaking after some maybe in a month or so.
I month is too early
Ah,
month is too early bro
And if ngakade bethandana,
Alright,
if ngakade
alright,
bethandana,
alright.
I know where example is going. If ngakade bethandana,
Eh.
ngiyislama.
Yeah.
But maybe songathola ukuthi sometimes usungaba islama at the cost of actually finding the love of your life.
yeah like
Exactly.
Xa liza
That's what I'm
thathana
saying.
umgcinisa ngamkhansela check ngiyazithathela
No,
umfazi wami.
but-
10 years later umgcinisa wamngani.
okunye ismoke queen i-period bro like
Eh,
isikhathi
period.
like
Period, yeah.
Angiyezange ngithi
Lijole
sehlu-
lo. Lijole ince 4 years.
Hayi. Wena after a month usukhuluma la
Which means 4 years long.
mana mbijana
4
bro
years long athi umkangele. Which means 4 years long athi umkangele.
The thing is amajita.
akuchuka
Brutal honesty, I can always tell which girls mgcini take serious and which he doesn't.
But okunye ukuthi Jake ama situations la
Ibrocode la yazi.
sigeza khulu into lezi ndoda
So-
azikho black and white guys.
Yeah.
Ugcina kwanisa kuhlangisa lo muntu wakhe lapha. Angiyazi Zimbabwe yethu le injani.
Mm.
Then mina no umgcini se break up lo muntu lwana then sesiyenzini esi8 then one day ngizihambele eBirmingham mhlane lo mfazi kamgcini ebar
ya la seli drive for option ama-options ase-limited
ukuthi
nalaba sivele siyazana
ngabe kwazi bethi ngimphipe ex yakhe kahle
hayi but lene njalo lami ngaba I wouldn't be that man
yangimayindi
selihlangane eBelgium eBelgium kunabantu abangaka
and I think lokho sebulawa ezijunela
mina
iport
Jay I think okunyani
you know what I'm saying
you know what I'm saying
I think okunye it's a matter of ilokuzeni period after the breakup
yeah
lingakwenzi after man
Ngisayila
ngisayila
seselifanayo futhi
ngisayifuna vele
ngisayila bro
yenzani neseyithi kahle kahle i-advice evela ku-podcast wafuna ukuthi utsheri womngane wakho yenzini neseyithi
lihambe lonke khona
Lihambe lonke
yedlenelela kachana le
nalibuya lapha act like strangers
hayi lakho futhi ngingadiscover year 4 ukuthi selithandana eBelgium I'm not gonna blame you
yeah no there's no
you are trying for options out there
actually into enginanzelelayo mina Jay you become the best boyfriend emuntwini nalo ma uthi relationship yeniza materialize to something no like theory
like niggas
theory like laleli theory yamuthi yanga please uyakwazi ukuthi chero wamthandana because every time mangibuya kuwe ngewe ngikutshela ukuthi hayi lapha nizoluthe yabo like there is always that one friend bro
mina
engutshelayo lokuze
mina
into yenza wena usuthatha ibhuku lelana vele
sinsiya edela
vele wena usuwazi lokho small futhi amajida basuka babe manipulative
mina I have the opposite opinion and I think those relationships are actually the worst because lisahlanyiswa yi-element forbidden fruit
kuyaphela
akuganga kumnandi
plus I feel like it comes to a point where noma wena izinto atuzazi ngocherry like usekwazi ukuthi uyamazi like that and then what akusela
lawe futhi asikwazi maybe umgcini wayephilo talker so kwazi ucherry lo esithi wena uchite lo cherry bakho sesithi vele yakwazi ukuthi uyinja
Gangnam Style imnandi
umgodo
iprime ukuthi abanye beni Gangnam Style ayichaka kakhulu laze layichara abafana ukuthi ukwenza into illegal kumnandi asibhebhane membe yaphi
what do you see comrade
moving on
ufuna ukuthi bengilizwe sithi uJane kubukhona la bengikhuluma with this other female friend of mine ongasu Jane but I know ukuthi Jane would have said the same thing esithi Jay mina wenzisisa membe yami ukuthi lingamaniga zami like yabona you cool but isimo ukuthi negwayi iko kuphela ukwenza Toko ngani isiboga ukuthi ngaze ngibe ngamanigazini okungenayo
at some point
kono kani ukuthi ngilegwayi vele kuyiproblem endikhulume like the exact same that yabona
ngenyilanga liyadawa
sebe singamanikazi
libele ngomuntu somele drop off Maforty qala yena ngibo lifike lichayi huta kulo muntu omvulela igedi so lelela ngini
sokusiba a problem
wena uvele ngube yiwani ngoba ezinyathi ziwachile mimi
vele kaso mina chiyo
Maforty wena sichana la
ameli understand
Maforty ambolo cheke
ameli understand
so kwenza mistake uyibona ngenza mistake kwenza mistake kumbe 4 hours uyinanzelela isaqala ngo11 usathenga utshwala lapha ngenza mistake wayinanzelela selithenga ukudle chef chief ngo1 lapha nyaflopa la wananzelela ama past 2 siyachimgana lapha nyaflopa la
all I can say inkukhu never be a pet
yeah
mina ngila are you saying ukuthi as a machida you can't have female friends you don't sleep with
you can bro
you can
yeah
you can
I rephrase because yalazi can you have attractive female friends you don't sleep with
yes
but manini bafethu asikhulu
I plead the fifth
no
I plead the fifth
nangithe you
I
don't
plead the fifth
asikhulu iconsider
no mina bami like abanjalo aba attractive female friends online it almost like kusisaqala ukuyazala abantu bakhona they were dating my close friends and then it progressed even if sebelela abangani bami they just continue to be my friends you know
when you foundation school
nyayizinto echo
kusayibona
Yeah.
sitha nje wena foundation enje
from escala just
but mina khona futhi escale
because into khona futhi enye reality khona ukuthi abanye abantu ngabangani bethu because bona they decide ukuthi
abasikhothisi
bona bafuni vele ngabona ivideo ka Gongo Steve wait explain the same thing uthi che reason why wena umngane wakho like uzithi ngumngane wakho
Ngoba uCherry
it's because wena ngongamfunile like uCherry ba friends wena bro
Yeah.
and amajita ke ku
situation
situation
kunjalo maybe la wayekufuna wena wazithetha lo umngane wami awuhle wambona ilihlo lo
umjita
laza faka amafoto la kanye
hayi Maforty
I'm not bad, hayi, ngiyavuma.
ukuthi Kbrizzy
sikhuluma ba attractive sikhuluma ba attractive
sikhuluma ba attractive
attractive
Maforty
kuwe, by the way.
Yeah, of course,
relationship yakho yenye
yeah.
kuhlanyisa blind bro ku relationship yakho kuhlanyisa blind then you just become friends lo nkaza ntombi ehlala eceleni
Jayce sekungayi minutes
then friends wona nje then ngesikhathi wena maybe relationship
Ah, 2 hours la
umkaza lo maybe la sekwenye relationship yakhe so it just continues ukuthi libe cordial like that
until the opportunity comes.
mina I feel like
Until the opportunity shall definitely come.
Yeah.
And
Mina uthi
trust
ukutshela
me, I
iqiniso,
tell you.
yiko ngoba uthola ama condom hayi
Hayi.
ubothola hayi chipi endlini vele
Not nje iqiniso as a gent you know ukuthi
Bajipi
utshelwani angida there's no way engangena khona so social nxa hayi la you know da lapha vele
mina Jay yazi amount
laba ncha umduli lapha
Alright, Jana.
wesifuthi u-attractive one uthi naba ncha umduli so as a professional was ngcono ngim I keep her as a friend because there's no hope.
so
there's
are
no
you
point.
saying we only become friends with attractive chicks when we can tell we can't get them even when we can't
It depends
even
on how
when
you
we
guys
can't
met.
get them
Right.
we
Ulamanga,
never
you're
make the choice
stowing-
No, no,
you're
no.
stowing for a
No.
later
Manini,
day.
manini. It is a matter even if I can say, this is an attractive girl that I could sleep with. However, I choose to be friends. We never do that.
No. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, but
I'm not vumelana now. We
Eh,
don't do that.
yes.
Akula. Njengendoda. Akula.
akwenzi
but urafu khulumina it depends on the situation like for instance maybe what uthola ukuthi the attractive girl ngkhona was dating a friend of yours and
And we live
Usisa
from
lo.
court.
they're not
Usisa lo.
mina bafethu
oh,
manje
oh,
tsheli
Fair,
va
fair, so.
mina manje tsheli
If I
va
had to get, I'll store it. 4-5 years ahlangana phambili.
Maybe it's tutor.
Khona phela.
into engiyitshela yona mina
guys,
into leyo ethiwa i-bro code mina feel like i-bro code
Does not exist.
ile expire date,
Yeah,
bro.
fluctuate.
Amen.
Ile expire angeza ukuthi uCherry wajwela like 8 years ago wena
Ngeke
mase
uthola la
ngise
yimi.
girlfriend
Ay,
yami guys wona uyizonde
okunye
Mina
futhi
ngisenzi-
no hayi
mina ngisenzi
man
less age.
or for
Hayi,
instance
akwenzi,
man
bro.
she dated your
Akwenzi.
close friend and they
Akwenzi,
broke
bro.
up and she's still attractive but then now you've spent I mean let's say maybe 4 years lokho kumala as friends
Oh, you
Oh.
still.
Ah,
When the
afterwards,
opportunity
bring-
comes,
I
you
know.
will
Aye.
chow.
But I will say.
afterwards Jay,
Guys,
for some people and that's it for everyone for some guys I'm not the same chat as
Yeah,
I'm very
I will say.
That's so
LGBTQ.
awkward.
It doesn't,
LGBTQ.
I will say it doesn't matter.
Hey!
Manin. I will say it doesn't matter how attractive you are. If you dated someone I consider a very close friend, that's it.
Yeah, maybe.
But
Very
that's
abamkani
me.
wami.
Not all niggas are like that. But now personally, Chegi, ungazi
Mina,
ube
there are 5 people.
ube leqhiba.
Mina, there are 5
Ah,
guys
mina
you can
kulelo
date
cuisine.
and I'll never date you. But beyond those 5,
so thina sesifika yini kuma-40
Yeah, we are
Maforty
ngesekeni.
asiphela
We are ngesekeni.
Alingangeni ku-five.
Nakudala ngaloku ube le
Maforty
girlfriend yami
asibuthekisa
podcast.
abafana.
Ngiyabuyila because Maforty ngamuntu ireza.
But yeah, I feel like we've done justice to upload the episode last week, guys.
Yeah, this one is a double
Very
episode.
nice.
This one is the double
Sikhuluma kakhulu.
But just
Yeah.
before we go, bengifuna ubuza it was a take on the Kylian Mbappe transfer item that's happening.
Yabona
He
uKylian-
rejected anyway, so
So Al Hilal made a 300 million euro bid. But walile, so I feel like
yeah, so
No, but yabona
That just
uyala
makes it
because
worse.
yabona inade sikhuluma nama
That just makes
artists
it
lana
worse.
yabona ukuthi i-decision yakhe yenziwa ngesisu. Yabona because ayenziwa ngesisu kulamba. Ayenziwa ngekulamba. Because it deal like was actually a good deal. According to me, the deal was good. You go for a year, you fucking make the imali zayenza my guy.
13 million euros
How
a
much
week.
zayenza?
Yakwazi 304 million rands on
I-
Friday.
18 million euro a week. That time.
very much
When does
kuphela
it-
umnyaka abe
Then,
nguphathi
yes,
time.
they were telling him, when you're done, then you can go to Real Madrid.
For free, bro.
For free. Mina, here's what I'm gonna say. The problem is most of us who are on these WhatsApp groups discussing the situation, we're discussing it like it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. There isn't maybe something nearly close. Umuntu abamproposileyo knows ukuthi that same amount he can still get it done in 4 or 5 years.
Ulayo rate or let double the figure like good bank account.
But that does it make? Check, let me tell you, check 700 million in a year. Not many people make that kind of money.
Yeah.
So, in as much as he sees ukuthi this is a good amount, thina masikucabanga ukuthi vele ngizayithola ngaphi chance enje. But Mbappe knows he'll get a similar chance in 2 years' time. See, he knows his worth.
Plus,
He knows
Mbappe-
next year contract expire. They can actually double that offer next year.
Keller, look at him. 700 million to go play in a league I don't care about. Or 350 million in a league I love for the next 5 years. And then I still make it back. Hey, ngiyenza ama-accolades and I have a career I'm happy with.
bro.
Because at this point, with that money, what new car can you buy that you can't afford already?
Yeah.
Ule Bugatti yakho ngamavagina.
I wanna
70 billion engayafford-iyo.
decision
There's nothing new.
was not
Wait,
based on
man,
what
gain a
the
village.
stomach
Oh.
like I'm an artist.
Yeah.
Decision like was not based on azothi
Ubengalambanga.
yazo speak it abo
Yeah.
So this is name repo. Utakuyini kanti?
bafana
Bafana Moreko.
abafani
Bafana Moreko.
Bafana bebe 12 Savannah.
uspikiri
Memoropa.
Bafana Moreko. This is Moreko.
Ajejo chomla aba-blind.
But I know, shout out to Meropa, shout out to DJ Simba, shout out to Amanda.
Amanda
Amanda
the
to
DJ.
Yo,
something.
King, the DJ
King,
King.
the DJ, look,
DJ.
Big B. Yeah.
Fue.
DJ Johnny
This has been a great episode of the ByoPodcast in Ngxoxo 99. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Ibizo lami nginguMgcini, ibizo lakhe nguKabelo, ibizo lakhe nguTumelo, ibizo lakhe nguRalph, ibizo lakhe nguMaforty. The name is so nice.
you gotta say twice
Into umuntu akufuna uJosa.
pepa
Hiyo lana eti pu.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready.